Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. 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 Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. We are live at the BDH. Oh, buddy. Oh, we got the McLaren back. Got the $500,000 McLaren. Got the... all right. It's not even 9 o'clock here yet. Not even 9 o'clock here yet. Not even 9 o'clock here. Yeah, all right. Overnight, what do we got? What do we got? Tori posted an Instagram story with a full day of meetings. Oh, guys, you don't understand what it's like. You don't understand what it's like. You don't understand what it's like to be rich. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand what it's like to be rich and have to do meetings all day, man. Nasdaq yesterday, end of day, what a ripper. 100-point rip in the last hour on, what was that? What's the date? Oh, on Wednesday. Holy shit, it's weird. Today, I keep forgetting. I forget that today is Thursday. I forget. So, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but this looks like a big old fucking inverted head and shoulders. You know? It's like a big old head and shoulders. Big old head and shoulders there. Inverted head and shoulders. Pew, 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 pew. God, like imagine like you know, like a big company like looking at my live stream and just being like just so confused. They're like, oh, what is this guy doing? Oh man, that's why it's great, because I don't even try to be you know, I don't even try to be corporate anymore. I've just gotten to a point where I'm like, hey, if they don't like it, fuck them. You know, if they don't like it, fuck them. You know? Because as long as I'm number one, I do whatever the fuck I want. I can do whatever the fuck I want. I gotta get her energy drink real quick. Hold on, chat. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I got my Filipino doing the graphics today. Hopefully he don't fuck up or he's fired. I'm paying him $5 a day to make these custom graphics, so he better not fuck up or he's gone. I'll get somebody else off of Fiverr, okay? What do y'all think about these new graphics, chat? Should I fire the Filipino? I don't know. You don't like him? We'll do a poll. Let's do a poll. Much better than yesterday. They're definitely better than yesterday. I agree. Fire the Filipino. Keep them. Fire. Let's see. What do we think? We're supposed to like be able to update them live. You know? What's like we can do update live stuff. So, I mean, $5 a day in the Philippines is pretty good money. Damn, the chat likes the Philippines. All right. Well, I guess but wait, how do I know? How do I know that the Filipino isn't botting the chat right now? What if he could be using bots? You know, I wouldn't put it past him. You know, them Filipinos, they got them bots. And by the way, I love the Philippines, okay? Let's make that very clear. I love the Philippines. I'm just kidding. Somebody asked me, what did you do before becoming a day trader? I was a male escort. Okay? Hey, look at him. He's taking over the stream. Yeah, put it back up there. Filipino or Filipina? I like them both. Sometimes the Filipinos look like Filipinas. That's funny. I make myself laugh sometimes. If you can't make yourself laugh, then who can, you know? Where's Ruben? Where did he? I don't know where Ruben is. Ruben got fired. I replaced him with a Filipina. Or Filipino. Wait, now they're saying I should outsource it to India. Oh, man. You think the Indians could do better? Go on Fiverr and get me an India? Get rid of the Filipino, get me an India? He hasn't been back since he got timed out. Ruben's mad at me. I put him in timeout. It wasn't personal. I just had to put him in timeout. He was talking about coconuts that day. Look at it. Now the Filipinos taking over my stream, bro. Put up. Look, I can't even. What is happening? This stream's getting over. We're getting hacked. We're getting hacked by the Filipino. We're getting hacked. Man. All right, right now Nasdaq pulling back here, right below the VWAP now. We got the white line. That's the VWAP. 490. 490 right there being VWAP. We're below this 500 level. We did gap up from yesterday's close. What a ripper of a I mean, fuck. Like, what's crazy is look at the market yesterday. We ripped up. We pulled back to the middle of that. We then kind of dipped down. It's almost like we made the same move up, right? Like the same move up, and then it's just like we went nowhere, basically. Pretty wild. The market literally closed right where it opened at yesterday. But also, it went up and it went down. I should get a Nigerian prince. They're expensive. Shout out to the Filipino dude. Amen, brother. He told me he has 4 kids and 2 wives. I mean, 2 women with 4 kids. He needs that $5 a day to pay for them kids. Maybe I'll give him a little bonus here if he does a good job. I'll give him a little $50 bonus. $50 bonus. That's like $1 million in the Philippines. If the Philippines was closer to Florida, I would move to the Philippines. You know, like if the Philippines was in the Bahamas, I'd go to the Philippines. But the Philippines is too far away from Florida. Brain fart. Oh my God, he's already brain fart. I'm gonna put you in timeout. I'm gonna put you in timeout. He's already in the chat telling us to go short. Literally every day, all he does is he just keeps saying go short all day long. He's gonna be right at some point, you know. At some point, he's gonna be right. Fucking brain fart. You know what's funny about the live stream? Have y'all noticed? You probably noticed it, but like every once in a while, there's always like a new character who comes along. You know, like every month we have like somebody who comes along and like wants to be the class clown, you know. Every month there's always somebody, you know. We had the one guy, we had Abyss, we had who was the other guy we had? Dung Du, you know. Yeah, where the fuck is Dung Du? We had Ruben, Mandy. I wish Abyss would come back, dude. Where are you, Abyss? Where are you? Abyss was the best indicator ever. Whatever he said, just do the exact opposite and it always worked. Where's Chad Cobra? Yeah, see, we're losing people. You think it's because people like they get upset? They don't like me after a while? Like, why do you think they leave? You think it's because why? Why do they leave? I think Chad Cobra went to another stream. I'm trying to see who in the chat has been here for a long time. Like, what names I've seen for a while. Who's been here since, like, 2020? Who's been here since 2020? Long time lurker, first time commenter from the Philippines. They all think they're gonna. Only Proverbs in the chat, just trolling the chat right now, said they all think they're gonna win something by writing in. I love whenever I ask a question, like if it has like one of those like kind of, you know, if I ask a question, the chat just starts blowing up because everyone's like, he's gonna pick me for PayPal to get paid. Oh man, been here pre-lawsuit. Well, I've had a couple lawsuits. So which lawsuit we talking about? The real question is, why do you guys keep coming back? You know, that's the question. Why do people keep coming back? I had the CEO of My Funded Futures. He asked me the other day. He's like, where do all these people come from? You know, like how do you get so many people watching? Like that is honestly, it's impressive because like I said a couple times, like this is the most watched futures prop firm live stream in the entire world right now, right? It's literally every day we're breaking records, 5,000, 6,000 concurrent viewers, over 30,000 views. I mean, we're absolutely smoking the competition right now. Look at this. So just for an example, like obviously a day ago we did 30,000 views and I only streamed for 3 hours, you know, 3.5 hours, and we do 30,000 views. And then if you look at my competition, they stream for almost 8 hours and they still don't do as many views as me. Crazy, you know? It's crazy. I mean, I guess, you know, the self-proclaimed #1 live stream on YouTube is not just self-proclaimed. You know, I guess I'm not just self-proclaimed. I guess the numbers don't lie. You know? I guess the numbers don't lie. But hey, you know, whatever. You know, whatever, man. Whatever you gotta tell yourself. Norton said he's just here to listen to me call people retarded. You're retarded, Norton. Dominatrix type shit. I'm a FinDom. Donate money to me, bitch. Give me money, bitch. Use my code, bitch. Is that just getting weird now? Is that just getting, hey, Filipino, you cut my head off, bro. Yeah, fix that shit. I'm serious. I'm gonna fire the Filipino if he don't get their shit together. I love that people think I'm on Adderall, right? Like people be like, oh, he's doing coke. He's doing Adderall. Like, you have no idea. I woke up this morning, 5:30. I've already meditated. I've already done my workout. I've already got the day. You know what I mean? Like, I am fired up. I will live for this shit. I love this shit, right? I put in the time. I put in the effort. I put it on. You know, no drugs needed. If anything, I smoke weed so that I'm not my brain's not working so much. But dude, every day I'm literally on a whole nother level. My brain is functioning at a fucking speed that most people can't even comprehend. While I'm talking right now, I'm already thinking about what I'm gonna be doing in a minute from now. I don't even know what I'm saying half the time. It just comes out. I'm like a lie. It's a live performance every day. People are like, how do you have this much energy? I'm like, what kind of person doesn't have this much energy? You know what I mean? Like, who doesn't wake up in the morning fucking just with a rock hard boner ready to fuck life in the butt? You know? Who does? Amen, brother. Amen, brother. You know, raise your hand. If you wake up in the morning with a rock hard boner ready to fuck life, you know, raise your hand. That's me, double-handed. I'm still rock hard right now. Yeah, I'm ready, baby. Fuck the Vaseline, baby. The light, I'm giving it to life. I'm gonna make sweet, sweet love to life. Right now it is 9:11 in the morning. We're getting fired up here. BDH. I got the McLaren back. I had some problems, so I bought these fucking $25,000 wheels, custom wheels for the McLaren, right? And fucking, I swear, it's mind-blowing. I waited like 8 weeks for these fucking wheels. And the wheels come in, and there was a chip. There was a little tiny chip in the paint on one of the wheels. And I was like, are you kidding me? Are you like $25,000 for wheels? And they got a chip in the paint? So I had to warranty the fucking paint on the wheels. So they're sending the wheels. Oh, it's a fucking nightmare, man. Nightmare. It's a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. What does a BDH stand for? Big Dick House. I don't know why that's even like people don't know that. Who's the best trader that you've had at the BDH? Who's the best trader? Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar for sure. Ike. Yeah, there it is. Forex Ike. He knows. Look at him. He's in the chat. Actually, Landon. Landon might be the best trader ever to come to the BDH. That kid's on fire. He's going to be here next Friday. He's skipping school next Friday, coming to the BDH. He said he missed you guys. He missed you guys. What's Victoria's car? She drives a Macan Porsche Macan. Is it a Macan or a Macon? A Macon. Pat, did Rips will go to BDH? Pat, did Rips will go to... I don't know. Rips keeps saying that he doesn't have a passport or something. I don't fucking know. I've invited him like multiple times, and I'm not gonna keep begging him. I'm not gonna keep begging for him to come. That sounded weird to say it like that, but yeah, I'm not gonna keep begging him to come. All right, stop making me say weird shit. Oh man. If there was one YouTube live streamer, trader, or whatever you call them, that you guys would like to see at the BDH, who would it be? Who would you guys like to see at the BDH? Other than ICT, obviously. You know, other than ICT. Everybody, I know. Yes, I know y'all want to see ICT. I know, okay? I know. Y'all want to see him, but he ain't gonna come because he's living in his fucking mom's basement right now. Tim Sykes. Oh, man. Tory Trades. I gotta get Tory Trades up in here. $1 million trade-off. Me versus Tory Trades. It might take a month to do the tournament, but it'll be fun either way. We gotta... Tory Trades, come to the BDH. You think she thinks about me at night, late at night, when she's laying there in bed, looking at Instagram, thinking about, damn, I wish I was friends with the BDH. I wish Patrick would let me go to the BDH. I think she does. Dead Ma. Yes, that's the song right now. Do I think about Tori at night? I think about Victoria. You know what I mean? You know, big old titties in my face. All right. Looking here at the Nasdaq, the ES, we kind of have a double top here on the ES 6,470 level. Is this like a big old bear flag here on the hourly chart? We got 9:45 numbers. We got 10 o'clock numbers here today, chat. We got 9:45. We got 10 o'clock numbers. Be prepared for anything, right? Patience, 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 patience. I'm surprised nobody said fucking Tanya. Tanya's really fallen off. Tanya Trades. No one talks about her anymore. What happened to that girl? She was friends with the BDH, and then she chose to be a retard and be friends with ICT. And well, go retard, go broke. You know, that's what they say. That's the settings. Go ICT, go broke. Somebody said we're bearish until we can get above 485. So wait a second. Wait a second. So what you're saying is we're bearish until we get above this level. That's all it is, right? That's all it is. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. How about Kellyanne? Oh God. I don't think Kellyanne's ready for the BDH. She's a little older, you know. She might be going through menopause or something. She's not ready for that BDH life. You got to be a certain type of person, you know. This ain't BDH ain't for everybody. You got to be somebody. And don't freak out, Kellyanne. I'm just joking. Don't write on Twitter about how I'm an asshole and I said that you're on menopause. It's a joke. I'm not serious. God, don't get everything all upset now. It's gonna be a whole fucking Twitter post about how I called her old. Oh, well, yes, I know. Make a video on YouTube about how I'm an asshole because I said you got menopause. I don't know how that shit works. How does that shit work? I'm not a woman. I don't even know what menopause is. Oh, I saw that Humble Trader made a video. What was her video about? It was a video of her crying. What's her video? I gotta watch this for a second.
All right.
I'm gonna watch this for a second here.
Hey guys and girls.
Hi guys and girls.
Reached out via email or Instagram and just in the comment section asking how I am and where I've been, etc. Since I haven't been posting a lot on this channel this year, as you can clearly see. It's been a year since I really sat down and really updated you on what's happening with my trading, this YouTube channel, stock scanner, my life, and everything. I'm sure if you've been following me for a while, you know I don't like to overshare. To me, Humble Trader is a channel and a brand about trading. So I want to keep things very professional but fun, of course. But I never felt the need to share more aspects of my life outside of those containers that we have gotten here without your support and people trying to stir up drama with unsubstantiated claims.
Yeah, hell yeah.
To provide some real context and facts about stocks, I co-founded this company in 2024. I was not an affiliate getting paid with referral fees. I was a co-founder. That means I wasn't the only person building the product.
Yeah, no shit. No shit. No shit. No shit. No shit. You're telling me that some little Asian girl on YouTube wasn't the only person behind her fucking $1 million business of selling courses. No shit. No fucking shit. Is anybody fucking surprised? Now we're going to hear her whole life story about how trading is hard and she's sorry that she's made all her millions of dollars with her community of fucking retards. Yeah, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I love when people like put out the obvious. Like, guys, I just wanted to make this video to let everybody know that obviously, it wasn't just me who came up with the idea to sell, you know, a $3,000 mentorship and market it to fucking retards on the internet, man. You know? God, Victoria just said the Filipino needs to get fired. Damn, that's fucked up. Victoria said, I don't like the graphics. They look worse than the other ones. Wow. Awkward. Filipino gonna lose his job today. He's gonna lose his job today. Oh no. Not poor little Filipino. Fuck. Oh man. Sorry, somebody said they got 3 meetings today. Sorry about that. Let's get into it. Let's focus. All right, we got plenty of time here till the market opens. Right now, the Nasdaq pulling back here. I mean, the bigger picture is kind of like head and shoulders inverted head and shoulders here. So, I mean, pretty much, I think if we get above, you know, if we get above this area here, above that 550 area, well then, pretty easy, maybe like up into here next. And so, what's up with these women crying on YouTube? Because y'all are fucking, you know what it is? You know why they do it, right? Because their simps fucking love it. Their simps are like, they're like, I'm gonna comment and I'm gonna tell Tori Trades that everything's gonna be okay. Tori, don't worry, honey, you're beautiful. Just because you had to go to 3 meetings doesn't mean it's okay, Tori. It's okay. Everybody go comment on Tori Trades' new video and go, it's okay, honey. It's okay, baby girl. That's all I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna make a video later talking about the problem in this world right now with these women. We got all these women out here try to fucking manipulate men. That's all it is, let's be honest. They know what they're doing. They put a little sad video up about how lonely they are, how their life's so hard because they had 2 meetings. And then all the simps, you know, all the simps are like, no, Tori, you're beautiful. You're such a beautiful person. People on the internet call me fat, ugly, retarded, a gambler, ugly, fat, everything. Nobody ever like consoles me. No one's ever like, Patrick, don't worry. Just because your head's really big doesn't mean that you have Down syndrome. I'm like, well, maybe I do. Maybe I do. Menopause equal no more men. Oh man, and they'll call me gay. That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up, man. See, no one's ever leaving nice comments about how I'm nice. We got a microphone. All right, I think what you know would be really kind of maybe the play here is we swipe the London low and then we push back up. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Oh, I gotta fix the Streamlabs. Streamlabs be lying right now. There's no 90% off sale at Apex. I gotta change that. It's bogus, Pat. You're not fat. No, I'm fat. I'm too fat to fit into little Japanese racing chairs. I gotta get new seats for the Porsches because they got little Filipino. They got little Japanese people seats. My big ass. I got a big old booty. Can't fit in them. Can't fit in them. All right, so I think, yeah, let's look for like a swipe of the lows at open, and then maybe we get that little pushback up, try to take out these highs up here. We got a lot of resistance up here, 550, 530 area, pivot point there, 545 on the hourly chart. I like it. We got numbers today, 9:45 and 10 o'clock. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's blow it up, baby. All I ask from you is 1 like per day. 1 like per day is gonna help me become a billionaire, all right? Why would you not want me to be a billionaire? Think about that. Like, imagine if you could have, you know, you could say to people like, yeah, that guy Patrick Wieland, the reason that he's a billionaire is because I watched his live stream. I used his code. I hit the like button, you know? Like, those are just like little things that you can do to help me get richer. Are we gonna go short or are we gonna go long? I think I mean, I'm looking for a long here at open, to be honest. We'll see. But I want to see that fake out. I want to get down there, touch that dotted line, right? Touch that dotted line there, and then we're targeting these highs. It's kind of like my theory about it. Damn, Frank Angelo. I click it twice for you every day. Wait. If you click the like button twice, that means that you take away the like. Don't click it twice. Pat, please stop DVR to help. What the fuck is DVR, bro? Refresh your stream. There's no lag. We're live. We got 3 minutes to market open. 2 likes don't make a like. Digital video recording. I'm not recording. What are you talking about? Whenever I think about like some guy who's complaining about the lag on the stream, this is what I imagine, right? Like I imagine this, that person, they're literally like living in this little box somewhere, and they're like, Patrick, this is the guy in the chat who says the stream is lagging. This is where I imagine he lives at. He's like, Patrick, the stream is lagging, Patrick. What? I don't understand. What is the issue here? Patrick, there's an issue here, man. Sorry. I didn't mean to talk about your mud hut. Got a mud hut. I got a mud hut. You want to play with my mud hut? That sounds like sexual when you think about it, like mud hut. That could be like some freaky position. Take some girl back from the bar late at night, and she gets home and she says, "Hey, do you want to play with my mud hut?" Ew. No, I do not. No, thank you. All right, we're back up here towards the VWAP now. Let's see what happens. We get stuck at the VWAP there. First 5 minutes. Party, drink Bacardi. Do I have back pain from fucking carrying all this weight, all this money? Speaking of back pain, I'm gonna get a massage today. I'm gonna go message my massage lady. All right, here we go. Pushed up there to the VWAP for now. We got the 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news here today. This thing should kind of swipe these lows here, right? There we go. Swiping the lows. Let's get down there, touch that 450 area. Maybe be looking for a long down there. Is your massage late? No, that's messed up. Don't say that. Come on, chat. Gotta be respectful. Humble Trader is not my massage lady, okay? I'm drawing the line right there between being disrespectful and respectful, okay? Humble Trader used to be my biggest fan on YouTube. I swear to God. Swear, nobody believes me, but I swear to God she was. All right, we swiped those like lows down there, but I think we can maybe go a little lower. That 450 area would be great, but it's kind of being annoying now. Just watching these candles here. I might look for a long now. Now that we swipe those lows, I'm gonna try the long there and try to go right up there to the 91s. Quick 10 points here. Just this opening range kind of play. Don't want to get too greedy here. Come on. Let me move this up now a little bit. All right. There we go. I like that. That was good. That was easy. I like that. That was easy. Don't get any easier than that. Don't get no easier than that, chat. The reason I like that for a long is the fact that we already swiped that 460 area and we got right back up there above the EMAs pretty quickly. So Was thinking that we would at least kind of take out these wicks of these candles to kind of swipe some of that. Maybe this 490 area, just a quick little 10 points. So we're still holding up. This could go a little higher. Sometimes they front run that London low, honestly. We'll see. I need like, now I would, honestly, what would be nice to see is like another maybe retest of that 470 level. Just to like give us some confidence that the buyers are sitting down there. Do I mind sharing what EMAs? Sorry, it's top secret information. I cannot share what EMAs I use. I just can't do it. If I showed you, then it would just wouldn't be good. It would not be good for anybody. It's the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Yeah, buy the course. $199. Make you holla. All right. Well. Nasdaq up there through the 500s now. This is always the problem, man. You take profit early, and then you're like, you know, sometimes you're a genius because you take profit early, and then sometimes you're a retard. Still pushing. Maybe we go for that overnight high now. Overnight high, maybe? It's like 530 area. Had a little push up there earlier, 530s, so maybe. Fucking A, that long, man. That long entry was too good. Why did I take profit so early? Ugh. All right, waiting for the next opportunity here. Being patient, no rush. We're already locked in a nice little profit there. You don't need to do anything. Just be patient. See, and that's why we're not going to be just buy. It's got to be patient. Wait for a retest of these EMAs or something. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. So, somebody said on Twitter that I never teach anything educational on this live stream. I think that's very based. You know, like, did you watch the live stream for 1 minute? For 1 minute? Yeah, where's brain fart? Said to get short. Oh my God, there's that push. Fucking A, just straight up now. All right, well, if you got long at the 480s and you're still long, congratulations. You're making money. Oh my God. Bro. All right, just gotta be patient. Don't FOMO, don't get excited, just wait. There will be more setups to come. We got the 15-minute range forming. We're right up there to that fucking A. Right up to that pivot point now, that 550 area. This is that key level we talked about pre-market. If you've been here, look at that. Our microphone playing out beautifully. I mean, maybe I could go a little bit more, but I think that was kind of like that London high there. Better to look at that. We held the lows, we swiped right below that like 450 area, and then ripped all the way up there, man. Let's go, boys. What a time to be alive. Megaphone, not microphone. Did I say microphone? Anybody still long from the 480s? Anybody? Fucking A, man. Wish I was still long from the 480s. Looking for another opportunity here. If we get a pullback into those EMAs, I like that idea. We got the middle of the 15-minute range. We got the ES over here as well. ES is kind of breaking out. 470s now. We got news at 9:45. Should get a little bit of a pullback here. No skill said he's been long since April. Well, that's nice. If you've been long since April. Impressive. Impressive. Oh, man. All right. Focus, focus, focus. Here's that pullback we were looking for or talking about. We're pulling back to the middle of the 15-minute range. So now what we want to see is a bull flag kind of set up. Let that thing dippy. Star for Real made $12,000. What in the fuck? How'd you do that? You crazy son of a bitch. All right, we kind of pulled back into the VWAP here now. We're right there at the VWAP, the ES, the Nasdaq. Everything kind of pushed up, pulling back here now. Back to the middle of that 15-minute range. Oh, man. Good thing we did not get long. Right here at the VWAP now. That whole pump pretty much just gave it all the way back to our original entry here. Marcus said, Patrick, I'm coming back down to where you got long at before. So now what I'd be looking for is like if we can get back above like the 500s here, maybe there's a long opportunity. We got news at 9:45, so. Nvidia squeezed up at open, pulled back 171 area again. We got 10 o'clock news, we got 9 o'clock news, we got a lot of news today. We got the ES pulling back into the VWAP there. Nasdaq back to the VWAP here. Little bounce there on the ES trying to push back up. Watching the Nasdaq here, possibly to get long if we can try to get back above that 500 level, back above those EMAs for now, but right now, no reason to do much. Little pushback up there. Okay, let's see what happens here now. Just being patient. Being patient. We got news in 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. ES just ripped back up. But the Nasdaq's stuck here for now. ES is ripping back up. I'm watching for a possible long here. The music's not it. Oh, man. People can't ever be happy. People are never happy no matter what I do. I thought the music would be it, man. I thought it'd be... Oh, Lord. There's my fucking email again. I always do that. Open my email at the wrong time. Good thing it wasn't anything important. All right, so we can see how Nasdaq is still just stuck there. No reason to do much. Little bear flag formed right there. Looks like we might pull back, fill that gap, that dotted line down there, 450s. Nvidia dropping hard right now. Nvidia dropping hard. Nasdaq back down there to the bottom. Trouble, trouble, trouble here. We got news in 3 minutes. That 550 area, we just could not get through it. A lot of resistance there. Got to see if the Nasdaq's going to try to stay alive. ES is still holding up. ES is above the VWAP, above the EMAs. Nasdaq's down here at the lows right now. Tricky, tricky. The Dow is ripping higher. Dow's ripping higher. ES is trying to hold on. Nasdaq just right there, 470 level. We got PMI numbers coming out here later on. All right, Nasdaq back there, 470s. Look at that first 15-minute candle. Crazy 15-minute candle there. Just absolutely denied up there at the 550s. At that pivot point. We got right to that 550 pivot point. Denied, came right back down, so. Brain fart said expect a very big fall. Oh, God. Oh, God. Very big fall. Oh, no. The mentor has spoken. Get ready for the big fall, everybody. What's that movie where there's a big fall? Big fall. We got news here in 30 seconds. Big seconds, big seconds. Right there to the VWAP again. Count it down. Let me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big fall. Big fall. Big fall. Never mind. No big falls. No big fall. ES just trying to push up a little bit. Nasdaq back up there to the 500s again. Are we going to get that big fall or what? She's trying to push back up right there. Oh my God, no. Dude, Windows, why does Windows always try to update at the worst times? I just got an alert. It's like Windows, like update in 2 minutes. I'm like, no, no, no. Relax. Stop it. Stop it right now, Windows. We held those lows, but still just not like overly convinced here. I'm just gonna tap that 500 level again just to dump here again. PMI numbers in line. In line. We're right above that. We're right there at the VWAP, man. Hard to say. ES is pretty much going nowhere. Nasdaq's just stuck here. We got more news coming out later on. I'm like, fuck, is there a short here? We're right there at those EMAs. It's like, if we get back above this 500 level 510s, I might look for a long. But right now, it's just like, I don't really like the short. I don't love the long. It's just that indecisiveness, trying to figure out which way this wants to go. We basically need to like push up here for the bulls. ES is trying to push. Ooh, Nasdaq. Nasdaq trying something here. Still just right there in the middle of that 15-minute range, man. Big push through the highs coming. ES is getting real tight. ES wants to make a new high. Nasdaq's trying to push. There goes the Nasdaq now. Pretty much everything just waiting for this news here at 10, I guess. Gold. Goldman Sachs saying that gold could go to nearly $5,000. Currently, it's at $3,600. All right, Nasdaq just continuing to chop here. Back down. I don't kind of think it might be a short here. I'm going to try a short here, like a tight stop. Just that. That was a pretty nasty little rejection up there. See if we can't make new lows here now. Oh, come on. Swipe that 60 area here. Try to fill that gap down there to the 50s again. We are short right now from the 480s. Looking for this, make a new low possibly. We fill that gap all the way here. Nope. Oh, you stupid Nasdaq. Just chopping here for now. As long as we stay below this 490 area, might be good, but market is chopping here. Yeah, not looking good. I'm moving my stop down a little bit more, just to the top of that candle now. If we get stopped, we get stopped, whatever. All right, we're stopped for now. Just nasty chop. I was up like 20 points there. Devin Culver said, you just lost me money. Devin, I got short at 480, went to 460. Sounds like a personal problem, bro. What the fuck? All right, 10 o'clock news here coming up. I mean, hey, I literally got short at 480 and it went to 460. If you didn't take profit and you got stopped out, that's like personal problem, bro. All right, we got this news coming out here later on today. We're still up $65 on the day in these accounts. YOLO. Market is chopping around right here, man. That's the Nasdaq right now. Just what car is behind me? That's a McLaren 765. It's a little, I gotta light darken it up in here a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Woo! $500,000 just sitting behind me. No big deal. No big, look at that thing. Oh my Lord, it's beautiful. No big deal. Well, Nasdaq just continuing to chop, chop, chop here. Looks like those shorts might be right again. Still got plenty of time here till this news comes out. I'm gonna try one more short right here. Just feel like it wants to like take out these lows down here, right? Don't follow me. This is not financial advice. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm retarded. Don't copy me. Fucking A. LOL. Do you journal your trades? No. Do I look like a bitch? What am I gonna, like, people that ask about journaling trades, like, what the fuck? What kind of gay shit is that? What are you gonna write in your journal? So today, I put a trade on, and I lost money. I don't know how to feel. Oh no, it hurts. Like, I'm here to trade, not fucking talk about my emotions in a fucking journal. I'm not 15 years old. Dear diary, today I tried to get short and the market kept going up. How will I ever learn my lesson? Do I have a take profit? Yes. Don't you see my take profit 55s to fill the gap? Well, I might get chopped out here again. I'm only small size right now. Not a lot of risk here. 5 contracts. Daddy's gonna be okay. Someone said, blew his eval faster than my wife on a date with her boyfriend last Friday. Damn, dog. He down bad. That guy is down bad. He blew his eval faster than his wife blew her boyfriend. I bet you journaled every day in your beginnings. No, I didn't. Why would I journal? I've never journaled. Ole. All right. It's just gonna come back up now. We gotta wait till 10 o'clock, boys. This is, oh God. Not today. Not today, Nasdaq. Not today. Okay. Well, I guess that's a good time to not short. or do anything here. Fucking A, man. Look at this chart on the 5-minute chart right now. Just fucking. Someone says how to lose a bag. What the fuck are you talking about? I'm down $150. LOL. When the chat's talking about how I'm down big. What am I gonna do, chat? What will I ever do here today? I don't think we'll be able to recover from this. I'll never be able to recover from this, chat. I'm never gonna be able to recover. Oh no! Oh no! I'm never gonna be able to come back from this. Help me. I need more advice from the chat, please. When will you do your stand-up at a club? Ugh. Once my day trading career is over, then I'm gonna do a stand-up tour, travel around America, talking about how I used to be a big-time YouTuber, making a lot of money on the internet, and now I'm just an old, decrepit comedian who does drugs and talks about the good old days back when I used to be a millionaire, back when I had a McLaren 765, 4 Porsches, 2 GTRs, 2 boats. I had everything, man. I had everything. But now I got nothing. I'm like the worst kind of rich too, really, you know? I'm like the worst kind of rich because it's like, people hate me because they're like, God damn it. Not only is he rich, but I hate him for it. I hate him for being rich. I hate him. Oh, I got a new YouTube channel. If anybody cares, we'll talk about it later. Wait for this news to come out here. Let's see what happens. Oh, Lord. I mean, I feel like this is gonna fucking swipe down either way and then maybe pop back. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know, man. 20 seconds. Can you tell your life story? I want to know it. Well, that's a long story, my friend. That is not, I can't just tell you my life story in one sitting. It's been a long road to get to where I am. And I'm not even trolling. All right, a little bit of volatility there. We swiped those 60s. They swiped those 60s, didn't they? Oh, you motherfuckers. All right, if we get back above this 490 level, I'm going long. I'm just gonna ride this all the way to the fucking moon, boys. JK, no long. Oh my Lord. How? Why? Why, Nasdaq? Even after the news comes out, nothing happens. What in the fuck? This is terrible. It's terrible. I mean, I feel like you gotta get short here, but it just keeps holding that 60 level, so maybe you just gotta get long here. Maybe that's the play. Just get long. Yeah, the ES right now sitting at the highs, the Nasdaq sitting at the lows. Neither are moving. I gotta journal my trades today, that's for sure. Patrick, when is the girl stream? End of September. We're gonna have 2 female traders live at the BDH, hanging out, trading with us. I'm gonna buy this swipe here and see if that's a terrible idea. If it's gonna swipe it back up. It might be a terrible idea, but let's see. YOLO. YOLO, YOLO. We're right there. We filled the gap, and now I can basically, if this hits, I'm gonna hold it all the way to the top of the opening range. Well, it was a good idea for a little bit. Now it's a bad idea. And fucking Nasdaq. There's a big big buyer at the 440s. I'm gonna get swiped out here, and then it's gonna go back up. Watch. Yeah. Why? Fucking Nasdaq. I try to go short 3 times, then I try to go long, and then it never works. All right, Nasdaq took out the London low there, down. We got a pivot point there at the 420s coming up. Why did I not just like stick to my shorts like I was this morning? So stupid. Whatever. You live and you learn. $10-minute chart, yeah. 10-minute chart looks pretty good for those shorts. Really blew that one. Down there to the pivot point now, still going lower. Ugh, so stupid. All right, down there to the pivot. Looks like that was the spot to get long at. Why don't you learn from ICT? You'll actually become a proper trader. Okay. I mean, hey, sounds good to me. Whatever. Be right back. Gonna go watch some ICT videos. I just like, I don't like the shorts down here. I think I was just early to that long, to be honest, but whatever. Whatever. Just a little early to the longs. Nvidia is holding that 170 area. Nasdaq trying to push back up here for now. Looking like a little bit of a possibly bear flag here, huh? The bear flag. ES is making new lows right now. The ES and the Nasdaq are just not connected at all. I think Nvidia is just keeping the Nasdaq alive right now. We're below the 15-minute range. We're below yesterday's gap. Kind of stuck below that 450 area for now. Watching here. Might be a short. I don't fucking know. Just stuck there. Back up for now. No reason to do much here. Testing that bottom of the opening range low again. Back up to the EMAs. You got the VWAP all the way there, the 480s. There's that pop right back up there again. Do do do. She's a ripper. We'll break out back up there to the 470s now. Kind of watching this 5-minute chart to see how these, where we're at, what we're doing here. The ES right now, ES back up there into the 15-minute range. Nasdaq back up here, but right back down there hard. Right back down hard right now. Kind of stuck there, 450s. I'm trying this short here to get through the 440s. Look for, try to make a new low through the 420s down there. Moving my stop to 39s now. Walking in some profit there below 420s here. Why did I get short there? Well, pull up the chart, my friend. What is that? It's a bear flag. Fucking A. Just pops right back up there. So stupid. It's a bear flag, bro. Are we gonna get any type of continuation here today? Why did I not go short on the first bear flag? Because it just wasn't very pretty looking, was it? Like those candles, it's like when I start to see all those little doji candles and just like shitty looking candles, that's what we don't want to see. We want to see like we want to see a bear flag basically get this big boner candle down kind of action. You know? All right, let's see if we can get through this 410 area. Maybe move his targets down a little bit more. This is a 1 minute chart we're looking at right now. I got my stop pretty much right there above the high of that candle. Got denied there at the 435s. Tumo said I'm going to lose. I can't lose, Tumo. You dumbass. I'm already in the green. It's impossible to lose on this trade. Like, how fucking dumb. Tumo. What a dumb fucking name. What's your name? My name's Tumo. LOL. I literally can't lose. There's no losing. I'm already, my stop is in the green, you dumb fuck. I can't lose. Fucking A, Nasdaq. And stopped out there. No continuation today. No moves. Just chopping and chopping. Whatever. Back up there again towards the 450s. One more time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Five-minute chart kind of invalidated that bear flag for now. We push right back up. We got this trend line here on the 5-minute chart. If we can get, I think I'd be looking for a long if we can get back above the VWAP here. Someone said, I think it's only going to go up. I mean, you're probably not wrong. You're probably not wrong. Market going nowhere. Back up here again. Nvidia really, I think Nvidia just keeping everybody alive right now. Nvidia pumping back up here, 170, 50 area, but Nasdaq back up here again. Good Lord. Good Lord, chat. Good Lord. All right, I'm just being patient. I want to see this 5-minute chart clean up some. Do some, like, something happen on this 5-minute chart. 7 money bag said, what kind of McLaren do I have? A 720? Do I look poor? 7 money bag? Do I look like a poor person? Like, when you look at me, do I look like a poor person? Like, you know what I mean? Like, do I look like a poor person? A 720. Are you? Yeah, you think I'm poor, right? It's a 765, bro. 765. Poor people drive 720s, okay? Rich people drive 765s. Because there's only 765 in the world. There's only 765 of these cars in the entire world. And there's only like 5 that are spec'd like mine. Carousel blue with the fucking, with the window scoop, baby. Okay? ES pushing back up here. Oh, Lord. This market, this market is just something else, ain't it? ES is doing nothing. Nasdaq's doing nothing. Boo. 455s again. Crazy. Just crazy. Patrick, start the McLaren. You start the McLaren. Dude, this market, man. All right, we're pumping back up here again, boys. LOL. We broke out there on the 5-minute chart. I want to get us back above the VWAP here. Get it back above the VWAP. Maybe I'm looking for a long min. It's kind of what I'm looking. You know, look at that. Looking like that. I'm a looking. Look. Oh, come on, pull back here a little bit. All right, there's that VWAP coming up. I'm waiting for look at this little breakout right there. Off the EMAs, little push back up. That would have been the spot, huh? They've been in the spot. No. Come on, Nasdaq. Got to come back down a little bit. Come on, Nasdaq, a little bit. Come back down here a little bit. Wow, chat. Look at this. Wow. Are you kidding me right now? You gotta be kidding me. Well, we broke out of our trend line there, so now we're back above the VWAP here. We got Nvidia pushing back up. Look at the ES here as well. ES pushed all the way back up. Look at that thing ripping right now. Oh, Nasdaq. All right, we get a little. Give me a little pullback here, Nasdaq. Come on, little pullback. A little pullback here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, Nasdaq. A little pullback here. Little pullback. If we can swipe the low of this candle, I might look for a long, like down here. Let's see. See if I get filled. Oh, fuck, we got filled. That's awkward. The FOMO is real. All right. Pray for me, chat. I mean, at this point, I would just look for maybe 550s from here. Fuck it. You know? Fuck it. We need to basically we need to turn this into support right here at the 470 level and then try to push back up here quickly. Keep my my idea alive here. I'm only gonna risk a small 10 points on this. I don't really think I need to risk any more than that. Michael said buying the top of the range. Hey Michael, are you fucking retarded? Get out of here. God, go fuck yourself. God, I swear. The people in the chat, but Patrick, why did you buy? Remember, hey, I want to make something very clear. Remember, people, you're watching me. I'm not watching you. So joke's on you. If I'm retarded, then you're fucking really retarded. You know what I mean? Like, you trying to talk shit about me is just making you look even fucking more retarded. Because you are here, right? I'm here because, well, that's the only way I can make money. You are here because you chose to. You know? Like, the joke's on you. The joke's not on me. The joke's on you. I'm a millionaire, and you're just some fucking random person in the chat talking shit. So just think about that. Next time you talk, think about that. Think about that, people. He right. It looks like you got no strategy. Nothing. LOL. Okay, well. Again, guys, don't watch it then. You know what I mean? Like, the last thing that I would do if I was you, the last thing I would do, like, I wouldn't watch. You know, and I would just, like, do something else with my life. You know, like, if you think if I have no idea what I'm doing, why watch? You know, why? Why? It just makes no sense to me. Viper shift. Let's go ban for ban. Trust me, I'm not worried, bro. I'm really not. Be humble. Karma's gonna get you. Yeah, bro. Karma's gonna get me. I'm such a terrible person. I live stream free on YouTube. Oh my God. Karma's gonna get me. I'm so bad. I'm terrible, guys. You know what I mean? I'm just a terrible person. Guys, I'm gonna go to hell probably. You know, one day karma's gonna come here and it's gonna kill me. I can't believe this. How will I ever give back to the world? What will I ever do? You know, like how will I ever give back? Karma's gonna get me. You know? Karma's gonna get me. Guys, I can't believe karma's gonna get me. Karma's gonna get me! I guess I just walk away. See y'all later. Karma gonna get me. What you drinking? Oh, you drinking? I just can't believe that karma's gonna get me. Can't believe it, chat. What will I ever do? This trade alone, I mean, the karma alone. The karma! The karma! Patrick, can you please explain the trade? Are you serious? Is that a real question? Please explain the trade. I don't know. Let's think about it. Okay, really quickly here, guys. Let's be smart. Let's use our fucking brains for 5 seconds here. What do we have? We have a 5-minute trend line. We filled the gap. We touched down here. We had this failed breakdown to the downside, right? Had that failed breakdown. What does that mean? Well, it means there's probably a good chance we're gonna push back up when we have a failed breakdown. Okay, so what did I say? I was like, hey, if we can get back up here above the VWAP, what am I looking for? What am I looking for if we get back above the VWAP? I'm looking for a long. So what did I do? Market got back above the VWAP, and what did I do? I got long. Look at the ES. ES back to the 472s, up there to the opening range high. That's all I did. That is literally all I did. Just got a little push and then got long. That's all, literally all I did. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. No indicator needed. Well, I mean, I guess the VWAP, but like nothing fancy. There's nothing fancy to this trade. I'm kind of getting a little greedy here just because the chat's got me all fired up, but we'll see. What target am I looking for? I'm looking for the opening range high, maybe more. I don't see, like, I mean, maybe we get stuck here some more. I don't fucking know, but ideally we're looking for this 550 area. The fact that the ES already made new highs or broke out of the 15-minute range, it's kind of what I'm looking at. I mean, maybe take profit now. I mean, we were up 30, 40 points there, so. Hey, nobody in the chat better fucking cry and be like, Patrick, you made me lose money. Okay, I'm telling you right now, I got long at 73. The market went up 30 points. If you didn't take profit, that's your own fucking fault, right? It is not my fucking fault. Don't get mad at me. I'm a millionaire, right? I am a millionaire, so I'm okay not taking $2,000 profit. But if you don't take profit, that's on you, not on me. If you're still long from the 73s, move the stop to the 88s, the low of these candles now. That way you guarantee at least 15 points. All right. Nothing wrong with taking profit. I'm an idiot. Don't follow me. Just because I'm not taking profit doesn't mean that you should not take profit. Take profit. If you're up $1,000, $100, whatever it is, take profit. There's nothing wrong with that. Making it very simple for everybody in the chat now. And just to show you, I'm going to take a little bit of profit right there. Look at that. I took a little bit of profit just to show you that it's okay to take a little bit of profit. I still got my stops there, the 89s. I'll look for the ride. And like I said, I think the opening range high just makes sense. Maybe even more if we start to trend here. No one ever went broke taking profit. I agree. Little Tomato said, all the oscillators are red. We're going down. Okay. Sounds like a good sound. Hey, if all of your oscillators are red, get short then. Don't type about it. Don't talk about it. Be about it. You know what I mean? If everything's telling you to get short, then you should probably get short. If I was you, I would definitely get short here. If your oscillator says that it's a good time to get short, I would definitely get short there. Fuck. I sold all four. I was going to sell one more there at 520. Whatever. That's silly. That's silly. Whoopsies. But yeah, I mean, the people that are like, but Patrick, my indicator said that it's a short. Okay. Then fucking get short and shut the fuck up about it. God. I mean, think about it like this, guys. If you're like, get rid of the bullshit fucking... Where the fuck is that music at? All right, look. Think about it like this, right? What does the market do? The market is, it makes move, like it makes different like a leg. Let's think about it like a leg, right? The market's gonna make a leg here. So it's like if the market's moving up, what would make the most sense? It's like, okay, we push up here, then we maybe pull back, push back up, like that. It goes like that, right? So if you're long from the bottom down here, why get out here? Why would you get out right at 520? Why 520 there? Why not look for this high? There's no reason to get out until we hit some major resistance. Look at the 15-minute chart. Same thing on the 15-minute chart. Everybody talking about, oh, it's a short. Get out now, Patrick, get out. Why? Why? You know what I mean? Why? Why would you? That makes no sense to me. That's why I was totally fine holding that long. So, I mean, look at the ES here as well. The ES is leading right now. ES broke out of the opening range high. Like, this shit it ain't rocket science, man. It really ain't. It ain't rocket science. But I just love the people in the chat who are going to sit here and be like, but Patrick, my oscillator said the market's going to dump. I'm like, hey, well, how about this? You go fuck your oscillator, and I'll just keep on making money. How about that? Max made 50 points. Congratulations to Max in the chat, making 50 points there. So, make money, make money, make money! Make money, make money, make money! Money! Who made money today on that trade? Anybody trade that? Anybody? Look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing that people make money here somehow. I don't know. You would think that for all the people that talk shit in the chat and all the haters, you would think that all the haters that, like, wow. You would think that nobody makes money here. That's what you would think, right? Like, that's what you would think. Like if you were thinking, you'd be like, well, I mean, there's so many haters there. Patrick, there must be no money being made. That's what you would think. But looks like the proof is in the pudding. Looks like the proof is in the pudding. And the best part, guys, the best part of this whole thing is what? What's the best part? What is the best part? Anyone know what the best part is? Not only did I let you know about this trade long before it even happened, when we were down at these lows, what did I say? I'm like, hey, all I want to see happen is if we get back up here above the VWAP, then I'm looking for a long, right? And what happened? What happened? Did it work? As this is pushing back up, let's just focus on this. I want you guys to really understand why I thought that was a good long. Look at that 5-minute chart. The fact that we had a bear flag, right? We had that bear flag there. We broke the downside, and then we get right back up it. The rack, what is that? That's a failed breakdown. What does a failed breakdown tell me? If there's a failed breakdown, well, looks like there might be a really good chance that we push back up. And look at that. All for free. I did this all for free today, by the way. And look what happens as the market's pushing back up here. So my whole idea was let's wait to get back above the VWAP, look for a pullback, and then we're trying to push up there towards the 500s. I talked about this whole entire trade before it even happened. So you can hate me, you can love me, but you can't say that I didn't tell you so. So there it is. I don't know what else to say. It's just frustrating that it's like every day I got to continuously listen to the fucking morons. The moron. Time for a beer, boys. Time for a beer. Cheers. Oh, nothing like a good beer in the morning. You know what I mean? And nice little pullback here. See, the great thing right now is just, again, being patient, waiting for that pullback here. Look for something good to happen. And then, let's see. We pulled right. See, I hate on the 1-minute chart when we break right through that 21 EMA. That's never like a good thing. So this could maybe go a little deeper. Because if you look at like 5-minute chart, guess what? That's the thing that I'm looking at too. I'm like, okay, you know, the 1-minute chart, we went right through that EMA. We got the 21 EMA there. We got the VWAP down here. So if I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, we're like, maybe there's a little bit more pullback, you know, for another long opportunity. What's next? Look for the next setup, really. Let this 5-minute chart play out. I think probably after 11 o'clock, 10:50 to 11 o'clock time, we get a better move here. Just being patient. Patience, 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 patience. By the way,
Subaru.
I started a new not a new channel, a new car show.
WRX. I'm gonna try to break the record. Trevor, walk into a Subaru dealership and walk out with the car same day. I'm thinking 1 hour.
This is my new.
Do it in 1 hour. I'm out of here. I'll buy a car somewhere else.
I started a new car YouTube channel.
Let's go. Subaru.
The guy, the GM was like, what are you doing?
Picked up the car and we sit down.
This guy was trading. How funny is this? The guy, the car dealer. He was trading. I swear to God. I walked up and I saw this guy with trading on his desk, and I'm dying. I'm like, are you kidding me?
On the way up and the way down, but on the day, I don't know about $2 grand.
He was trading Apex accounts.
This guy, he got trading Apex. I trade like the 15-minute range pretty heavily. That's kind of like my go-to. We'll run these numbers.
Yeah, awesome.
I mean, there's not much deal to be made. It's basically just gonna buy it and then get out of here.
It is now 2:09. We got here at about 1:50. It's been about 20 minutes. We've already signed all the paperwork, so that's 20 minutes so far. We even had to fight the GM to get into the place. I bet he's gonna act a little differently now when we leave. How much you want to bet? I bet he won't be so mean. He'll be a little nicer. He can go, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for spending your money here. Fastest sale in history.
Then this is your coverages. These are your deductible.
Just got back over here at 90%.
Look
at him.
Apex
He was
sales
loading up on
still
Apex
going on,
accounts.
and our car salesman loading up on the. He loading up on the Apex.
He got the Apex accounts. The car salesman. He got the Apex accounts, man. But yeah, I want to try to start putting out videos pretty regularly, like maybe 2 or 3 a week, of kind of what I'm doing with the cars and what I'm buying, how I'm what I'm doing and all that fun stuff. So if you guys are interested, hit that like button, subscribe button, and look at that new channel. I would love to get 1,000 subscribers on there really quickly. That'd be really nice. It'd be a nice present for everybody watching. We got 4,000 people watching right now, so we literally could get 1,000 subscribers like in the next 5 minutes if you all just helped me help you kind of thing. Help me kind of help you. Do I think it's a good time to get long? Honestly, not a bad idea. We pulled back here. Let's see. Should we go for a little longy dongy? Little longy dongy? I think if we can get back up here above this EMA, there might be the longy dongy. Longy dongy dongy diggy? Longy doogie diggy doogie doogie? Longy dongy. Let's try it. Longy dongy. Stop at the lows there on that little candle. Oh God, right when I get long. Full reversal. Full reversal. Classic. Just classic. Classic. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Full reversal. Market's going down. Down. Guys, don't worry about the trade. Just look at the screen. You're all going to be mesmerized. Use the code PW. Use the code PW. Sign up now. Sign up now. PW. Woo, woo, woo. Just kidding. Don't sign up. Don't use the code PW. I'm just kidding. Come on, Nasdaq. Why is Nasdaq always got to be so mean to me? You ever feel like the Nasdaq? It's like I'm like targeted sometimes. I swear. This market, the Nasdaq just be like it just trying to fuck with me. It's like it loves to fuck with me. Y'all ever feel like that? I feel like targeted sometimes. I swear. I get targeted, man. Absolutely targeted. Link to the car YouTube. What the fuck? There's a link in the chat. Hit the subscribe button on my new car channel. First 1,000 subscribers, maybe I'll do something special. Something special. All right, Nasdaq, we're either gonna go or not. I'm gonna move this stop. I'm only gonna risk 5 points here, right? If we can't go, we can't go. We'll risk 5 points. No reason to let it come all the way down here and take 10 points. Might as well just let it be 5 points. The Nasdaq's like an old girlfriend, I swear. She's mad. She's mad. The Nasdaq is pissed off. She's pissed off that me and Victoria are in love and I no longer love the Nasdaq. I swear to God, it's a real story. I swear, Nasdaq, don't worry, baby girl. I spend at least 3 hours a day with you. You know, like these girls, man, they be so demanding. These women, they be so fucking demanding, man. They're never happy no matter what you do. You know, you work hard, you make money, and then they still complain. Like, well, yeah, you never have time to spend with me. All you think about is work, Patrick. You're never in the moment. Patrick, whenever we're together, you're not thinking about me. I'm like, why do I need to think about you when we're together? You know, that's the way I look at it. I'm like, well, what's the point in, what do I need to think about? We're here we're here. I'm with you, you know, like, I'm literally with you. Why do I need to think about you? You would be like, if I was a girl, I'd be like, well, you know, Patrick, whenever you're not with me, you better think about me. And, you know, that's the way I look at it. But no, women are be like, yeah, but whenever we're together, you're not thinking about me. You're thinking about some car, you're thinking about some money, some trade, some business. I'm like, what? All right, we are up there to the 520s now. Nice little long there. Anybody get that 15 points? I've had some, like, I'm not gonna lie, I've had some good 15-point trades today. Every single loser that I had today, it gave at least 10 points, 15 points. Clickin' Clever said, I'm a woman, it's so true. Well, I mean, why would I lie? Hey, if anybody knows what it's like to be a woman, I know. All right, I know what it's like to be a woman. You know? I know, like, ain't nobody know more about women than me. Trust me. Trust me, when it comes to women, I got a PhD in women. I've been looking at women since I was a young boy, looking at the women like, damn. I might have an addiction to women. All right, I'm gonna move my stop here to just like right above break even. I was looking to see if we can't get up there to make a new high. If we don't make a new high, it's all good. Like I said, nothing wrong with taking 20 points, 15 points. Take profit, people, take profit. Oh, fucking A. So, whatever. Stopped out for break even. What a stupid trade. Fucking, look, I mean, just so stupid. Why? Like, why? What a joke. Why? Like, the Nasdaq literally did that on purpose. Looks like American Eagle sales are up after the Sydney Sweeney ad. What can we say? Sex sells, boys, sex sells. London closed. We got the 10:50 to 11 o'clock. What a fucking retard. What? Why? Like, why? Why? You know, why? What a stupid, like, what a, just a stupid thing. Just stupid. Like, that's literally stupid. Just don't even make sense. Like, why? Why? It's not liquidity, Jose. What the fuck are you people talking about liquidity? Everybody's trading prop firms. Shut up. There's no liquidity in the market no more. Everyone's trading prop firms now. Bro, can you copy trade multiple live accounts? What does that mean? Why would you want to do that? I still think the best comment that I've ever seen. The best comment in the entire world. And I've seen a lot of good comments, but the best comment ever was the fact that some guy commented. He's like, so if I buy a $50,000 account for $100, why can I not just take all the money out of the account? That's literally like, that was a real question. He's like, why can't I just, you know, if I buy a 50K account, why not just ask to withdraw all the money? You know why? You don't even need to trade. You know what I mean? Like you don't need to trade because you can just why not just take the money out of it? Patrick, I don't understand, man. Why even trade when you can get $50,000 for only $100? It's a great point. Great point. Oh, Nasdaq. I mean, I think she wants to go higher, boys. I really do. I'm gonna take another long here. Fucking A. I don't know. It might be a terrible idea, but let's see. Let's just let it ride. I'm in one of those moods. I'm okay with it. If we get stopped out, whatever. It's like it's either gonna fucking just start ramping up there to the 550s or it's not. You know, honestly. That's where it is, to be honest. You know. Did you guys not know that you literally all you need to do to become a millionaire is you go to apex.com, you buy 20 300K accounts. You then request a payout for $100,000 from each account day one. $1 million. Boo! 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 Oh. Nasdaq just gonna chop here. Stopped out. Whatever. Why? Why does this always happen to me? Like just to come back down there and get my stop again. I literally top ticked that perfectly. Beautiful. Bro can't trade. You right. I can't trade. Terrible trader here, everybody. Don't watch. Tune away. Tune away. Well, good thing we got stopped out where we did. How many accounts blown today? Only 35. 35 accounts blown so far. Not bad. Normally my average is 100 a day. So this is a pretty good day, actually. Pretty good day, actually, boys. How much am I up today? I don't make money trading. I never have, never will. Got a big buyer at the 508s. I mean, I really don't give a fuck. If people on the internet don't think I make money, that's fine with me. I don't, you know what I mean? Like, whatever. What am I gonna do? There's like, what could I possibly do to prove that I make money? You know, I don't know. Day trading live on YouTube. What could I possibly do? You know, the same person that's commenting about me not making money is the same person that believes that ICT wrote the algorithm that moves the market. You know what I mean? So like, you know, what could I possibly say? What could I possibly do to make someone who believes that ICT created the market algorithm, you know, like there's not much I can do, really, you know? I can't do much, you know? I can't do much. I can't do much, if you know what I mean? There's not much I can do, you know? Like, what am I really gonna do? What am I gonna do, man? There's not much I can really do, you know what I mean? I mean, I think I definitely had a few trades I got stopped out on, but almost every single trade that I took was in the green at some point. I mean, I don't know. That's trading, man. I mean, it is what it is. Not really much else I can say about it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That's all it is. It's like that. It's just every day like that, you know? Like, you either make money or you don't make money. And it's just the same shit every day. That's all it is. You know? That's all there is. I mean, you would think that, like, I don't know, being the #1 trader at Tradeify, you know, you would think that would mean something. You would think that, you know, being in the top 20 at Top Step would mean something. You know, you would think that getting a $355,000 payout would mean something. You would think, you know, you would think that. You know, you would think being on top of the Funding Ticks leaderboard would mean something, but I don't know. It don't mean nothing. Honestly, it's all fugazi. You know, it's not even, nothing's real here. You know, I don't make no money. I'm clearly an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing here. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I don't, you know. There's 11 o'clock now. The market's gonna push up here now and see if we can go to the 550s. It's also funny how quickly, you know, people forget. You know, people, like, we literally just had like a 60-point trade that I called out, but they forget about that real quickly. You know, everybody they forgetting about the big trades for some reason. Yeah, the market makers are watching me. That's why I lost. Everybody knows that. Duh. I mean, if anything, I think we were just a little early on the long. If we would have waited till 11 o'clock, that's all it was. Honestly, think about it. So 10:50, 11 o'clock, that was when we basically just chopped around there. What do? We still went higher. So. I don't think we were wrong with our long idea. 5-minute chart broke out. You know? Patrick, you're the biggest and the largest inspiration in the day trading space. Oh man. I hope not. I hope I'm not the largest and the biggest inspiration. I hope not. I hope not. Well, like I said, after 11 o'clock, the market starting to push up here. Patrick, you are not making money for people who never made money, but you are making money for us people who got money out of the market. I don't know what the fuck that means, but I agree. I have no idea what you're talking about, but I agree with you. You know, like, I think you're right about it. You're right. I don't know what that means, but I do agree with you. Let's just look at my car. There it is. Y'all want to see Yeah, I can show you the engine. I don't know if I can though, really. Nasdaq still push it up here. We got some big buyers flashing at this 30 level. Some sellers, some buyers flashing there at the 30s. Oh, fucking. If I put my stop at there, I'm going to get stopped out. And then the market's going to go up anyway. So fuck it. Story of my life. Banana, banana, FIFA banana. Everybody likes bananas for me and you. Bananas are good. We like to party. Drink banana, banana for me and you. Optimus and Iron Beam, are they partners? Optimus Futures is an IB, so they're a introductory broker. So they go to the bigger firms like Iron Beam and other fucking clearing firms and bring them customers. Bro, I'd like to see you on Words with Riz. Fuck that. I ain't getting nowhere near that Pakistani fuck. I don't even know if he's from Pakistan, honestly. I think he is from Pakistan. Somebody told me. Yeah, no, I'm going to pass on that. I'm going to pass. There's just something about Pakistani fucking YouTuber gurus that I can't get past it. I can't get past it. Yes, Iron Beam is a FCM. I just said as a clearing firm. I mean, what are they gonna do? What are they gonna cancel me because I said I don't like some fucking Pakistani fuck? Come on, I mean, good thing I live in America. You know what I mean? I live in America. You think, what are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Come arrest me? Come. Oh, hey, we heard you talking about Pakistan on YouTube. Yeah, well, go suck my big old red, white, and blue dick. All right? Exactly. All right, let's get this fucking push, boys. Yeah, exactly. Fuck the UK. I'll go to UK and tell them, fuck the Pakistani fucking scammers. You know? Oh my God, Nasdaq. Why can't you ever just go? Yeah, fuck the Hogwarts. Fuck Hogwarts as well. Especially the Hufflepuffs. Them Hufflepuff bitches. The Hufflepuffers. Bunch of Hufflepuff fuckers. All right, I'm moving this stop right there to the 25. I'm probably going to get stopped out just to lock in 10 points. What a stupid fucking a day here. I'm over it. I'm over this shit. Here comes the racist. That's not racist. Like I said, I don't care what anybody says, right? It don't matter what fucking, what color you are. At the end of the day, you know, you're going to look at someone else no matter what color they are, and you're going to be like, hey, that person looks a little different than me. You know, like it's just natural human fucking DNA. It's in our blood. I don't know, man. Shit been going on since the dawn of time. You know? You can sit here all day long and cry about racism, or you can just say, fuck it. You know, hey, some fucking cracker on the internet, he fucking talks a bunch of shit about some colored people. All right, well, fuck him. You know, like, don't give him power. All the people sitting around talking about racism, like, all right, well, go fuck it. You don't like it, then just, like, who fucking cares? You know, like, who fucking cares? You know, I don't sit around crying about how I can't fucking jump. You know, I look at the NBA and be like, damn. You know, not a lot of white guys playing the NBA no more. But like, it don't upset me because I'm like, you know, I'm not very athletic. I'm white. I can't jump. I'm not good at it. You know? White people, we're good at golf and stupid fucking sports. Black people they'd be good at fucking basketball and fucking football and all the other shit. You know, I'm not good at it. I'm just in it, you know? Are you kidding me right now? This fucking, I swear to God, this market right now. Why? Every... It's such a joke, man. Why? It's probably gonna go, but at what expense? You know, at what expense? Bubba Wallace single-handedly making NASCAR unwatchable. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not gonna get all deep into the race talk right now. I remember when BLM tried to, I didn't almost, but BLM tried to cancel me at one point. Literally, Sean King. I swear to God, there's an email. Fucking Sean. You don't know who Sean King is? Anybody know who Sean King is? This motherfucker. I swear to God. This guy's fucking white, by the way. He's not even fucking black. Look at, you tell me that guy's black? He ain't black. He white. This motherfucker white. Trying to come at me for fucking not posting a black square on Instagram. I swear to God. He's fucking white, bro. Either way, it's just like, what a joke. What a joke. Sean King emailed a company that I worked with back at the time and told them that I was racist because I didn't post a black square on fucking Instagram to support the BLM movement. Fucking crazy, man. See, it's like this kind of shit. Like, this guy's, you know, out here getting donations, right? He's getting donations for his movement, and it's just like everyone's like, wait, what? You know? Like, huh? King asked for donations online so he could climb the 7 summits, but abandoned the effort only a few days after training. In 2010, he founded a homeinhaiti.org. He used eBay and Twitter to raise $1.5 million to send tents to Haiti. Says that he was going to build an orphanage in Haiti. You know, it's like, y'all be like, you're trying to cancel me? You know, you're trying to cancel me? All right, Nasdaq right back down there to the 23,500. Who's tweeting? Who's tweeting? Who's tweeting? I should go to Haiti. Fuck going to Haiti. Are you crazy? I got about 1 million other places that I'd like to go to other than fucking Haiti. You know what I mean? Nothing against Haiti. I live in Florida, you know. We got enough people from Haiti driving Ubers. Almost trying to kill me. Driving home from the airport the other day, fucking this guy is driving us home, gets lost on 95, extra 15 minutes. extra 15-minute drive. Isaiah wants to move to Jupiter, Florida. Don't do it, bro. Yeah, look at that. Marcelo said that his neighbors are Haitian. They don't even want to go to Haiti. See? Look at that. See? Nothing. I mean, it's just facts. You know, like nothing. It's not like we're not hating. This is just, I mean, people don't want to go to Haiti. Go to little Haiti in Miami. There you go. Well, it looks like we're just going to be banging against that resistance there that we've had. Yesterday, resistance there at the 520 area. We had some resistance back there for Friday. Monday, had some resistance there. I think there's kind of like a big inverse head and shoulders here on the hourly chart. So, hating on Haiti. Yeah, cancel me for hating on Haiti. Hey, let's go to Haiti and offer people in Haiti a free trip to America, and then we'll see how many people want to live in Haiti still. You know what I mean? Let's do that. Let's try that one out. You know what I mean? Let's go to Haiti and be like, hello, sir. Would you like to move to America for free, or would you like to stay in Haiti? And see what they like, see what they choose. See what they choose. Patrick, you're welcome in the Dominican Republic. Woo! I don't know. I might get murdered in Dominican Republic. I've heard some sketchy stories. Probably from sketchy people, though. Right next to Haiti. What in the fuck, Nasdaq? What is happening right now? How? Why? Why? What is going on here? Man, this is crazy. What do you think the over-under is? What are the chances that I went to Haiti and I got robbed for my watch? What would you say? What would you say? What's the over-under? $1,000%. You should have bought a gold watch, bro. I'm a ginger. Gold don't look good on gingers. Come to Syria. I thought about maybe going to Afghanistan. You know, I think I could really make some moves in Afghanistan. I could be a tribal leader. Patrick Wieland, tribal leader, live from Afghanistan. Go to Yemen and wear a fucking... Look at this shit. Are you kidding me right now, Nasdaq? Are you kidding me? What is happening? How is it just... Why? Why? Like, how do you even trade this right now? What are you gonna even do? What in the fuck, man? It's such a joke. It's just such a joke at this point. Hey, Patrick, how much are you up on the day? I'm not up at all. I didn't make any money today. Don't watch me, because I don't make no money. All right, let's try a long right here. Just for shits and giggles. Just gonna go long. Just let it ride. Either make it or break it, baby. Make it or break it. Don't follow me. This is just a full, just for fun. Just for fun, people. This is a fun trade. Don't do it. Fun trade. I just want to blow up my account or make some money here. I don't even care anymore. I'm at that point. Yeah, I'm self-destructive. I'm being self-destructive. Self-destruction. Being self-destruct. Put Victoria in a burqa. Burqa, burqa, burqa. Burqa, burqa. Burqa, burqa. Burqa, burqa. Somebody in the chat said go short. Hey, George. I'm going to pass on that. I'm going to pass on that. Hey, George, I'm going to pass on that. Thank you, though. I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass on that one, George. I'm going to highly pass on that. Banana, banana, banana. Y'all ever just like put on a trade and then just fall asleep? I do that sometimes. You ever do that? Anybody else ever do that? You put on a trade and you just fall asleep. You just like, just fall asleep. 400 sellers at 48. Get out of here. 400? That's a lot. Banana, banana, banana. We got a pivot point up there at the 49s. We have not broken out of the opening range to the upside now. The ES is above the opening range. So that's why I'm thinking the Nasdaq maybe at some point will break the opening range to the fucking highs and then we can make some money. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, okay. Hey, 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 hey. Raphael in Australia. Top of the night to you. Good day, mate. Hey, G-Day, mate. Are you a sick cunt? Raphael, are you a sick cunt? Yeah, you are. You a mad cunt. That's just what the Australians say. You know, it's a cool thing to say when you're Australian. That's what all the cool Australian kids are saying, you know? Hello from Sinaloa. Fucking hey, what are you in the cartel, bro? We got the cartel watching. I better be careful. Oh, George, what happened? You told me to get short, George. George boy. Hey, Georgie boy, what happened? Georgie boy told me to get short there. Good thing I don't listen to fucking George. Fucking George. Like, I don't even understand. Like, is there anybody who actually like watches the live stream and who like comments and thinks that I'm going to like listen to some random person named George in the chat and be like, you know what I mean? Like, do they think it's like I'm actually going to? Fuck. Oh God. Oh, God. I ain't listening to you, George. No fucking way. All right, my stop's at break even. If I get stopped out here, I'm fucking done. I'm walking away. I'm over it. Fuck this market. And as soon as I leave, the market's gonna go to the fucking moon. Watch. Oh my God. Not another one. This is painful. What a painful fucking day, dude. Crazy. Are you kidding me right now? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. I literally don't even know. You know. Bro. Oh my Lord. Oh, that's funny. Even my percentage of win rate today is 40% because all the fucking just bullshit. But this is the focus, right? Focus on this. What's my largest losing trade? $245. What's my largest winning trade? $1,400. That's per contract, by the way. So, whatever. Should have made a lot more money, that's for sure. Are you kidding? If this thing makes a new high right now, I fucking swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. Dude. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Get fired up for that, boys. Hey. Let's go. Let's go, Billy boy. Are you kidding me? What a joke. So frustrating. So frustrating right now. All right, Nasdaq made a new high. Nasdaq made a new high. Yay, yay, yay. So stupid, honestly. Don't even make sense. It don't even make sense. All right, Nasdaq making new highs. Looks like the longs are getting paid. I mean, the moral of the story, I mean, literally the moral of the story here is just don't ever put a stop loss and you'll be fine. If I would have just stayed long and never put a stop loss and just said, fuck it, I'm looking for an opening range breakout, I would have got it. I could have gotten short with George, that's for sure. What happened to George? George! George, are you okay? George, let us know if you're okay. Type in the chat. George. What happened, George? Where'd you go? Where'd you go, George? Where'd you go, George? George. George. George, come back. Why do people that come into the chat and call out a trade and then they just like disappear after? It always happens. There's always that guy who's like, yeah, Patrick, it's a short. Get ready for the shorts. And I'm like, okay. And then he's like, 5 minutes later, disappeared. Gone. What happened? Where'd he go? But guess what? You know what's funny? If George was right, if he was right, guess where he would be right now? You know what he'd be doing right now? You know what George would be doing? He'd be sitting there in the chat saying, told you so. I told you so, Patrick. Patrick, I told you to get short. That he would be literally telling everybody in the chat, I told you so. I told you so. Patrick, I told you so. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys, we got 400 subscribers on the new car YouTube channel. Help me out. Hit the subscribe button. If you're still watching right now, it's free to subscribe. You'll be a part of the first 1,000 subscribers. Come on. Link in the chat. Come on, people. Let's do it. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers live on YouTube right now. Come on. I haven't even subscribed to my own channel. Subscribed. I'm getting there. We're good. We're going to hit it. Let's do it. Come on. We got to get more subscribers than Nutty Bar has. Goodbye. Look at the video. It's a funny video, guys. I show my cars. I'm like a comedian. You know, look at me driving a Ferrari. I drive a Ferrari. Straight pipe, the down pipes, the bigger turbos. It should be about an 800 horsepower car when it's all. And it's funny because. All right, so we just got here to Excel Auto, and it's funny because there's a Liberty Walk Aventador here. These guys are making so much fucking money off of me. They got a new office now. What I want to know is, why do you guys have another Liberty Walk here?
Came here, he's like, every shop I go to, fucking Patrick's always there, man. He's always there getting like 2 or 3 cars built. Yeah. So I try to find a shop that he's not at, and shows up.
Look at my belly poking out. Oh my God, I gotta go on a diet.
Why would you pay $50,000 to put a window scoop on your car? And I said, because that was the only option.
Yeah, inside there.
Crazy. I haven't seen this car in so long, I feel like.
So all it does is cool the top of the intake manifold. It doesn't actually feed air.
Yeah.
It just cools the intake manifold.
That's what's funny about it. We did stage 2 on this, right?
I paid $50,000 for that.
To put a window scoop on your.
For the window scoop. Literally, it was $50,000, no lie.
Because that was
like,
the only option.
Yeah, inside
for a window scoop. But it's McLaren. It's MSO. It's real deal from McLaren. So.
This right?
It looks sick as fuck.
I don't remember exactly what this car made, but we did no-tech
$50,000 window scoop, baby. That's how rich I am. People be worried about me fucking, you know, losing $1,000 live on YouTube, and I'd be like, bro, I just spent $50,000 on a window scoop. Okay, sit down, boy.
What do you guys quote?
Sit down, boy.
I don't remember exactly what this car made, but
Gamer's Paradise. Did you buy that with trading money? No, I bought it from your mom.
We were talking about on the way here because
your mom, she's been sending me money every night.
I think it's just because this car is built to be.
You know, she's been every night she sends me a couple $1 million.
Yeah.
Probably. He's like 100.
This is my blown up. I have a blown up Aventador motor. If anyone wants to buy it, I'll sell it to you for a good deal. $30,000. You can buy my blown up Aventador motor. Okay.
I'll sell it to you.
Good deal.
That's kind of loud. What'd you say? First time driving the McLaren in a while.
Oh, most fun car you could drive. It's insane. Like this whole time, right here, I'm flooring it. And it is literally just, it's spinning. It's all-wheel drive, by the way. All 4 tires are spinning. I was going 50 miles an hour, by the way. I would never go over the speed limit.
To the BDH,
Look at that thing. Oh my God. If your doors don't go up, are you even rich? You know, that's what I always had to ask people. You know, I always have to ask people that. I'm like, hey, if do your doors go up?
Man. Buying cars, moving cars, selling cars, picking
Do
up
your
cars.
doors go up? Do your
Do
your doors go up? The new Corvette is still gonna beat it. Hey, Christian, you know what? You know what's funny, Christian? Ain't nobody give a fuck about a Corvette, bro.
BDH
Ain't, you know what I mean? Ain't nobody give a fuck about your stupid Corvette.
More videos and car.
Yeah, my Corvette's gonna beat your McLaren. Yeah, well, you know what? Ain't nobody give a fuck about no Corvette. Nobody. Corvette's a poor person car. That's what ICT trades. ICT trades in his Corvette, okay? Exactly. Exactly. ICT is trading in the Corvette. Got the Corvette. So yes, come on, let's hit it. Did we go yet? 1,000 subscribers? Come on. Come on, chat. We're so close. We got 3,000 people watching right now. How have we not gone up quicker? We got 589. We went up 100 so far. Hey, there's nothing wrong with the Corvette, you know, but let's not compare Corvettes and McLaren 765s. You know what I mean? Let's not compare the two, because they're not even close to the same fucking animal. Not even, you know, like it ain't even close. All right, what we at now? We're at 600. We're going up slowly but surely. There's 3,000 people watching right now. The fuck y'all doing? The fuck are you all doing? The fuck are you all doing? All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. We pushed up there to the pivot points, pulling back now. Pivot point to pivot point today. At the open, we pushed up to the pivot point. We pulled back to the pivot point. We pushed back to the pivot point. We're above the VWAP. Things are happening, but damn, we ain't going nowhere. Tomorrow's NFP, non-farm payroll tomorrow, boys. Might be a good time to YOLO some Apex evals. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll come YOLO some Should I come YOLO some Apex evals tomorrow? I might. Say if you tell me not to, and I won't. Tell me not to, and I will. Give out a free eval account. Fuck you, dude. Ain't nothing free in life. You got to pay for it. Use that code PW. Imagine being like the first time viewer of this channel. People are probably so confused. They're like, what is going on here? This guy is so rude to his... I saw some guy on Twitter, he posted talking about how Patrick Wieland is so rude to his followers. They're like, all he does is just sit on YouTube yelling about dicks and balls, and just, he's always pissed off and mad at his YouTube followers. It's hilarious. I think it's funny, to be honest. And I think most of my followers also think it's funny. Like, I don't know. I think you guys, you get the humor, right? Like, I'm not serious, you know? When I'm talking about my dick being 20 inches, obviously it's not 20 inches, okay? It's like, that's not realistic, you know? Let's be honest, you know? I think, you know, there's a little bit of, you know, sarcasm here, people, you know? A little bit of sarcasm. And we know when I say, hey, George, you know, what the fuck, George? You know, I'm not actually mad at George, you know? I'm just, like, kind of playing around, you know? I think people don't get the joke, you know? You know, yeah, well, obviously my dick's 21 inches. You know, I don't want to say it. I don't want to tell everybody. I don't want people feeling inferior, but it is the truth. Announce that you won't show your trades unless you get 1,000 subs on the new channel. Okay, deal. I won't show my trades unless we get 1,000 subs. Oh, I got to get more subscribers than Nutty Bar. How many subscribers does Nutty Bar have right now? Nutty Bar Trading has 17,000. Damn. How'd he get so many? I gotta get 17,000 on the car channel now. That's gonna be tough. I could do it though. I could do it. Who knows? Maybe in a year from now, I'll be bigger in the car world than I am in the trading world. You know, that's kind of like, I'm thinking I'm gonna start my own race team. You know what I think I might do though, honestly, what would be sick? I'm actually looking for right now. I want to buy a big piece of property. I want to buy like 100 acres. Like 100 acres of land, put a house on it, and then build like just an insane fucking fun factory of fuckery, you know? Not with that slow thing. Christian, will you shut the fuck up, you brokey? Nobody gives a fuck about how fast my car is, dumbass. God. Perfect way to go broke. What do you mean? Buying a fucking piece of property? Why would I go broke buying a piece of property? Are you retarded? People are retarded. Patrick, you're gonna go broke buying 100 acres. What are you talking about? Taxes? What do you mean taxes? I'm gonna put cows on it, bro. It's an agriculture farm that I drive my trophy truck on. Okay, relax. Yeah, I'm gonna put fucking. I'm gonna get some. You know, well, I'm gonna get some Wagyu beef. I'm gonna get me some Wagyu beef, and I'm gonna put them on the property. I'm gonna get a couple goats. You know, get a couple goats would be cool. Maybe like, definitely not a horse. Don't get a fucking horses are just way too much work. But get a couple. Maybe get a mule. Maybe some donkeys. You're gonna report me for having a farm? Why? People are retarded in the chat. Hey, I paid $1.6 million in taxes, okay? I've done my part. I've done my fucking part, okay? Let me live my life now, okay, you brokies? Report me to the IRS. Tell them. Be like, hey, I want to report Patrick Wieland because he paid $1.6 million. That's not fair. He should pay more. He should pay more in taxes. It's not fair. Have you owned or built an R35? No. I got a R34, R33. Are you mad that ICT is coming? Where's he coming at? I don't want to see that, you freak. Keep your little sexual, keep your sexual, fantasies about ICT to yourself because I don't want to hear about them. I'm not, why would I be mad that ICT is coming? Whatever you're into, bro. I'm not into that shit. Okay? I ain't into it. So don't even try. Don't try to convince me that I want to see ICT coming. Just because you're gay and you like to see weird shit, it's not what I'm into. Okay? You just stick to you just be gay for ICT over there. We got no time for that. Ain't nobody in the chat want to do no gay shit with ICT. Ain't nobody in the chat trying to do nothing with that, okay? All right, well, the Nasdaq's going absolutely nowhere right now, my friends. Absolutely nowhere. So, yeah. About that. What to do? Adam said he got scammed by funding ticks. How did you get scammed? Let me guess. You woke up one morning and your cat walked across your keyboard and it went long and you don't know what happened and you're very upset and it's just, what do you tell me your story. Let me hear it. Let me hear your story. Patrick, I got scammed by funding ticks. I woke up and somebody traded my account while I was sleeping. Somebody broke into my house while I was sleeping, and they said, and they traded my account and blew up all my accounts. They send you an email that my IP crossed multiple regions. Well, I mean, does it? Does your IP Did your IP cross multiple regions? Hey, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think they're scamming you. Are you using a VPN? What are you doing? Like, what's weird about your IP address? I don't know anything about VPNs. At damn Fawad, send an email to info@onlyprofirms.com and I'll look into it. All right. No promises, but like I said, if you are not lying, then I'll look into it. But if you're lying, then, well, not much I can do. I am not showing my trades until I get 1,000 subscribers on my car channel, okay? We got 643. There are literally 3,000 people watching right now. There are 3,000 people watching. 3,000. Link in the chat. Do you guys not see the link in the chat? Come on. More people watching. How much do you earn from YouTube? Yeah, I use so much money. I make so much money from YouTube. Frozen North Trader also got scammed by funding ticks. Says that he got paid $4,000, 3 hours to process. Bro, we need to look into that. We got to look into that. We definitely, hey, send me an email with the proof so that way we can investigate what's going on. You know, I can't believe you got paid $4,000 in 3 hours. Okay. Oh, I'm not going to let this happen. I will not stand by and let you get scammed anymore, okay? I am not going to let this happen, people. Y'all are, I am here for you. I will not let my subscribers get scammed. Prop firm for keeps got paid $4,100. Well, you definitely got scammed. You definitely got scammed. JC said, I swear, everyone, I get funded. The next 3 days are always choppy. Bro, trust me, that ain't just you. The market knows. I swear to God, the market be like, okay, JC, he got funded. Now it's time to fuck him up. It's a true story. I swear to God. It really is a true story. Every time you get funded, every time it happens like that. Well, because you know what it is? Well, you probably got funded like on a good trending day, right? The market, you made money on a good day. And then what happens? Majority of the time, the market sucks. Majority of the time, the market's chopping. You know, that's the majority of the time. So, that's what they do. How do you talk for 3 hours straight? Bro, when you're making millions of dollars, you'll do a lot of things, you know? People be like, Patrick, what would you do for $1 million? I'd be like, I do a lot of things for $1 million. Sitting on YouTube talking for 3 hours, I do that. You know, it ain't easy, but I'll do it. For $1 million, I'll do it. All right, for $1 million a day, for $1 million a month, I'm gonna do that. You can see how much money I've made on YouTube since I started my YouTube channel back in 2017. Look at that. I haven't even made $500,000. No! I don't even monetize my live streams, by the way. I don't even monetize them. How much you make in August? I think August was pretty good because my birthday. Yeah, like this is literally how much money I make per month from YouTube. It's shit. It's dog shit. It always kind of like peaks into like February, March. Yeah, so August I made 6,900. Rich. That ain't shit. I know, bro. I know. I know it ain't shit. Trust me. I know. I ain't, you know, hey, I know. But I also don't have any fucking, I don't have any ads on the live streams. I don't monetize the live streams. You're a scammer. See, like, why am I a scammer? What, you know what I mean? Like, why am I a scammer? You know what I mean? Like, why am I a scammer? Because I tell everybody that I make $1 million a month as an affiliate? Because I do a job? You know what I mean? Like, I offer a free live stream and people use my code to buy an eval? I mean, who am I scamming? You're making your subscribers pay for a Discord. I don't have a Discord. I literally don't have a Discord. So how am I scamming anybody? Like, what? I mean, I'm not even a hustler. I literally just day trade live on YouTube and people choose to watch. I do not have a Discord. I do not sell Telegram alerts. I have nothing. I'm just trying to figure out who am I scamming? Who's getting scammed here? You know, that's what I'm trying to figure out. And guys, I have no Discord. Do not pay for a Discord. How did you support yourself when you started YouTubing? I was a professional filmer and editor. TPT has a $130 activation fee. No, they don't. Again, people are retarded and they don't know how shit works. I don't know, man. People be like, you a scam? I'm like, okay. What's the scam? I don't sell a Discord. I have a $199 course that is literally like, I don't even promote it. By the way, like, I mean, when's the last time I promoted my course? When I sold it for 88% off for 20 bucks? I mean, it's a video library. And the funny part, like I've said a million times, I've never denied that I make $1 million a month as an affiliate. That's the best part. Like, I've never denied that. You know what? I've literally never denied that. So that's why it's like funny, because I've never denied that. So, you know, I never denied it. I don't know what to tell you. I don't deny it. I mean, you can literally see here, this is how much money I make from Apex every month. Go ahead and screenshot that, put that on Twitter for everybody out there. That's last month I made $313,000 as an Apex affiliate. So I don't know. So yeah. I mean, it's just the truth. I've never denied that I make money. I'm the biggest Apex affiliate. What can I say? What's the figure in the middle? That would be the amount of accounts sold per day. So on my birthday, we sold 7,600 accounts. What a time to be alive. But again, like, it wasn't always like that. You know what I mean? It wasn't. At one point, I wasn't making any money. LA Confidential said, you're clearly talented, but if you really as wealthy as you say, wouldn't it speak louder to carry yourself with quiet class instead of constantly proving it? I mean, it's YouTube, bro. You know, like, it's YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, it's YouTube. You know, like, it's called YouTube. Like, what else am I gonna do? I'll be quiet on YouTube, you know? Hey, everybody, my name's Patrick. I'm not a millionaire. I'm quiet. I don't want anybody to know about my wealth. I don't want anyone to know about me. I don't want anyone to talk about me. I'm just going to be humble and quiet. Hello, everybody. Today, welcome to the BDH. The BDH is not actually the big dick house, because my dick isn't really that big. But I just want to be humble and I want to be honest. So yes, hello. Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about imbalances. Look at the imbalance. The imbalance. I wonder what your kids are going to say when they see your channel. I mean, Landon's 13. He sees my channel. He comes to the BDH. You know, he sees me winning. And he wonders. You know what he wonders? He goes, Dad, why, Daddy, why do you get to travel the world and get to do whatever the fuck you want every day? And I say, well, Landon, the reason that I get to do that is because I've worked really hard and I built a business that allows me to do that. And I don't have to answer to anybody. And I can do whatever the fuck I want every day. That's the truth. You know? His mom and her boyfriend or whatever, they go to work. They work normal jobs, which is great. Nothing wrong with that. But he sees me and he's like, wow, my dad has a fucking McLaren. He's got a Lambo. He's got a Ferrari. He's got 2 boats. He gets to do whatever he wants every single day. Like, is that not motivation for my son? He doesn't have to be a YouTuber. He can start a business, do whatever he wants, work hard, make money. Welcome to the real world. So, can you tell us how much you're making trading per month, if you don't mind? I mean, I don't know. Not that much. 6 figures, I get, not monthly, but I made $170,000 at the beginning of this year with Tradeify. I got a $355,000 payout. That is an actual payout. That is not affiliate commissions, as you can see. This is, if you think about it, like, for people that are wondering if my payouts are affiliate commission, think about it like this. If you just saw that I made $300,000 in August and I requested a $355,000 payout from Apex, what would that, what would that mean? It wouldn't really make sense, would it? So yeah, no, it don't work like that. So just putting that out, putting that out there. Just putting that out there, It don't really work like that. It don't really, it don't work like that. It don't really work like that. You think about it, like, it don't really work like that. Dude. All right, well, Nasdaq is going absolutely nowhere right now. So I guess that means, I don't know what that means, to be honest. Just for everybody out there that's wondering, like, do I ever make any money? These are my payouts with Apex. So in 2025, we got a $350,000 payout there. You can see the amount requested. I've had 129 total payouts with Apex. So no Fugazi, no Fugazi. You can see 349,000 right there paid out. 48 trading days. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. These are all payouts. These are my big payouts when I got 54,000 times 11. Paid. So, yeah. Do you have an LLC S Corp? I have an S Corp, yes. Adam, I sent you the mails. I hear you. What do you want me to do about it right now? I'll look at it later. Shadow Life, first time here. Do you show active trades? No. I'm just here to show my payouts. If you're just now tuning in, it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon and the market's going absolutely nowhere. So, Apex doesn't pay out like that for non-influencers. Okay. Anybody in the chat ever got paid out from Apex? Anybody? Anybody ever got paid out by Apex? Is it all? It's a scam, right? Apex is a scam. They never paid nobody. I get it. True. Only influencers. Man, Apex only pays influencers. That's so crazy. Isn't it crazy to think about? Like, it's just crazy when you think about it. Like, Apex paid out $50 million in the last 90 days. Yeah, they must really be scamming everybody. And only the affiliates get paid out. Only the affiliates get paid. All the Apex affiliates get paid. So do you make as much trading as you do being an affiliate? No. I just showed over $1 million in payouts. I make $1 million a month. So I would say my trading profit for 2025, $1 million. My affiliate profit for 2025, 20 million. So Patrick, what's the difference between an LLC and an S corp? An LLC has nothing to do with the S corp. It's just kind of not how it goes. I'm not a tax financial person, by the way. So please don't. I have no idea what I'm talking about. It's like Jordan getting paid more by Nike than he ever did in the NBA. I mean, it's true. Is Michael Jordan a scam? Is Michael Jordan a scam because he gets paid billions of dollars by Nike? He made way more money selling shoes than he ever did fucking playing basketball. That's for sure. Yes, an S corp is a sole proprietor corporation. Then you have a C corp, which is a corporation. So you file differently. An LLC is a limited liability company. Just like different classifications. Am I Jewish? No. My last name is Wieland. AK said, I have to tell you, your honesty is very appreciative. It is true you are a bit crazy and unusual, but they're very honest, and that keeps me coming back. I mean, would people watch me live on YouTube if I wasn't, fun? If I was boring and lame and not fun to watch, would anybody watch me? Probably not. So, got to give the people what they want. Got to give them something to talk about, Got to give people something to talk about every month. If they ain't talking about you, then you're dying. Look at Trades by Matt. Nothing personal, but look what, nobody talks about Trades by Matt anymore. What happened? What happened to Trades by Matt? Think about it. Literally, what happened to him? Just nobody talks about him. He literally gets 500 viewers on his live streams. So, I still got 2,700 people watching right now, and I'm not even trading. That's the best part. I'm just sitting here looking at the charts, and I still got more viewers than most live streamers will have all day long. My low numbers are still higher than most YouTubers. Think about that. And it's not because I'm the best trader on YouTube. It's not because I'm the best, it's not because I'm the best trader. Trades by Matt live streamed earlier for an hour and a half. He got 2,000 views. Poor guy got 2,000 views. I literally have 2,000 people watching me live right now. His total views for the day, 2,000. That ain't good, chat. That ain't good. got a new office. Let's check it out.
What's up, everybody? I want to officially welcome you to the new TBM office. So, first things first, what we got? It's kind of fun. Art colors. What? I freaking love it. It's so sick. The idea with the office was for it to be a trading, co-working space for Tradester, and we have more space here for Tradester. Features that we F1. We got 2 pictures of F1 room, which is really a storage space. Hopefully this and office. We've got the memorabilia wall, memorabilia for people that attended the very first meetup ever. That is the easiest to use and all of that. I have a single instead of an L desk, and this is a sit-stand desk, so I need overkill. And then with that door is always closed on the stream, so you never actually get to see beyond it. So it's fun to show you what's going on.
Well, I mean, cool.
All of your favorite day trading people on YouTube will be here for.
I mean, you know what he ain't got. You know what he ain't got? He ain't got no cars. He ain't got no cars. Banana, banana, FIFA, banana, la 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 la. PW, would you get TBM to go to the BDH? Yeah, we actually talked about it. He just had some babies, or his wife had a baby, or somebody had a baby. I don't know how it works, but he had a baby, so he's just been dealing with that, I guess. Brain Fart said he got long at 550. No, you did not. You're just trolling me now. You did not get long at 550. Never gonna give you up. I need that song. Never gonna take you down. We're gonna hold around and desert you. This is my song for all the chat out there. This is my promise to you, chat. I'm never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Dude, this guy. Kind of looks like me, actually. If I wasn't going bald, maybe I could have my hair like that. Dude, that guy's got a fucking head of hair. Holy shit. How do you make your hair look like that? Desert you. Hurt you. Will I do a hair transplant? Nah, I would go bald before I got a hair transplant. Never gonna let you down and hurt you. Never gonna say goodbye. Hurt you. What shoes do I got? These are, what are they? On Cloud, the Federers, I think. They're really comfortable. Did I get 1,000 subscribers? I don't think so. I don't think so. We didn't get there, man. We got close, but not there. Did not get there. Oh, 732. Fuck, man. Literally 732. What the fuck? We're so close. So close. So close, man. La 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 la. I think I'm gonna walk away now. It's 12 o'clock. Market is, I mean, it's just kind of grinding higher, getting tighter and tighter. I would expect. I mean, I don't know. I mean, unless we just get stuck right here and we roll off, but there could be a nice little move up to the 600s coming up. So. Your setup is different from the setup on your birthday. Yeah, so I have different desk. This is like my main trading desk over here. But this is all going to change this weekend, actually. I'm getting a car lift put in here, so I'm going to be able to put two cars, because I need more car space. I got 15 cars right now. It's like fucking a full-time job trying to figure out where to park all these cars. I got too many fucking cars, man. Way too many cars. All right, all right. I mean, I think the, you know, moral of the story here, just to like recap kind of like what we were thinking this morning, right? We talked about this idea of kind of swiping these lows this morning, which we ended up all, you know, down there. We swiped basically all that overnight lows down there to the 400s and then came right back up, kind of following that overall like kind of trend there. So good little lesson of the day. It just takes patience sometimes. There was a lot of chop, but where'd the market go, right? The market went to pretty much where we thought it would go to kind of push up there to that 550 area, kind of swipe down there at those lows. We held the 400s. Ding, ding, ding. We got back above the VWAP there. That was my first kind of long entry back above the VWAP there. If you've been watching, we got long there earlier. And look at that little push. It kind of up there. So it just sucks because it's obviously like, you know, you get this, you get this, you get this, you get this, and then it's like, back down, and then you get that push back up. So it's hard. It's hard to hold, you know, through a 40-point pullback. It just don't, it ain't clean, you know. The moral of the story is we got to where we thought we would go. It just was, the road was real bumpy on the way there, you know. I mean, that was kind of the issue. So Dan Marino, still here, bro. I never left. I think we had the right idea, just needed to fucking, I mean, I don't know. I mean, the market is just doing what it's gonna do, I guess. It's hard. It's hard to trade when the market's just not really fucking going anywhere. You get like a pop, the pullback, the pop, the pullback, the pop, the pullback. It's just like, you know, you end up getting stopped out, break even. You end up getting stopped out, trailing. You end up just getting stopped out for no fucking stupid, you know, no stupid reason. And I don't really have like a, I don't know what can you do? You know, like how do you go long? If you go long here, right? Let's say you're long there, 514s. It pushes there to the 540s, but you're targeting. Let's say you're targeting the opening range breakout. It's just like, how are you gonna survive this? You know, if you're long from the 514s, are you really gonna hold like there? You know, like I don't know, maybe, but I wouldn't. Just hard to go from, you know, 513 being up 30 points. You're up 30 right here. And then you're like, okay, I'm going to put my stop right there just in case, you know, like just in case. And then like, what are you going to do? So do I love the Miami Dolphins? I don't know about loving no Miami Dolphins. What is my rule for setting break even? I mean, normally if I'm up 20 points, I try to go break even, to be honest. Just that way, at least I'm not like going to let a green trade turn red on me. Which sometimes it plays against me because I get stopped out and then the market pushes anyway. I mean, on a day like today, yeah, you got to have a bigger stop. The trend was still your friend. It's just like these little fucking stupid drops. The stupid, you know, like what are you going to do? Like, I just don't know what you're going to do there. Same thing like even here. You know, like you got, let's say you got long for this breakout here, 530s. It pushes up 543 and it's like, okay, at this point, you're like, fuck, am I going to like, I guess if your stop's down here, it's just hard. Just hard. But that's, I mean, that's trading. A lot of days the market's going to be like this. There's a lot of days where the market's not going to be trending. It's not going to be breaking out and just really beautiful. So I think tomorrow we should maybe get some better action. It's Friday. It's NFP. Got the non-farm payroll. So should be a little bit more eventful, hopefully. Pretty much the only thing I got. That's all I got to say. I wish I had more answers, but I don't. I mean, that's the truth. Too many traders will sit here and they'll try to fucking, you know, tell you, oh, I knew exactly why this would happen. They don't know shit. You know what I mean? Like, they don't. Like, anyone who tells you they knew exactly, oh, I knew this was going to happen, you know, I knew it. Like, they don't know shit. Like, I think about it, like, they don't. You know, like, they don't know. They really don't, so. I just wanna. The market's gonna do what the market's gonna do, if you know what I mean. Ooh. Looking at some property. I'm going to try to buy some property. I want to buy, like, how much is this? 46 acres. Oh, why is it so far away? Ooh. Look at this. There's 46 acres right here. It's right along like a main drainage canal, which is nice. 490,000. Maybe I offer them 400,000 cash, ready to go. It's the middle of nowhere, that's for sure. But that's what I need. I need a spot in the middle of nowhere because you can't have race cars in a fucking neighborhood. You got a condo in Hallandale? Oh, really? No, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Midland, Texas. That's kind of far, to be honest. I want something that I can drive here in Florida from my house to the property. I'm trying to figure out, like, is 50 acres, like, is that enough? You know, like, is that enough for me to, like, race around and stuff? No. How many acres do you think I need? I mean, it's gonna be like a dirt track. It'll be like rally car racing style, so it doesn't need to be massive. You think 100 acres at least? Fuck. Yeah, it's not gonna be paved car. It'll be like trophy trucks. I'm gonna buy like a little trophy truck and build like jumps and stuff. Wouldn't that be sick? That's what I think I'm gonna do. Looks like farmland. It is farmland, but I mean, I'm gonna keep it farmland. But is there a rule that you're not allowed to? Uh-oh, I've been looking up J Dunn trades. Auction. The TT. No. What's the little mini trucks? They're not trophy trucks, but you can't build on farmland? I'm not gonna build. Oh, this is what I want. I want these little things.
Twice this weekend.
These things are sick.
He has the speed. Oh, grab him the inside. Gets pushed over a little bit. Not able to make it happen. Cuts that curb. A lot going on right there.
Dude, that looks so fun.
We're gonna see if there'll be any type of penalty there. I mean, that was kind of you know, a give and take right there. They were helping each other cheat the system. So we'll see what happens. But like I was mentioning, Gordon very fast in qualifying. He might have what it takes to get up and run with these guys.
I'm gonna build a jump like that. I'm gonna build a jump. I mean, I understand. Yeah, I'm obviously going to, you know, do all the legal stuff, but I don't see why you can't drive a fucking trophy truck around on your agriculture property. Is like what, you know what I mean? Like, you know, like if I'm driving my trophy truck around my acreage, like what are they gonna, you know what I mean? Like,
down the chicane they come. It's cleared it out, so it makes this even.
Oh my God, dude!
Oh my goodness! Just wide open. Now here's the thing. He really
These things look so fucking sick.
Will not lift. He will not lift off that jump. Oh, Gordon goes to the inside, and Toby Price not making it happen. Gordon almost spins out. Is the dude able to capitalize that he is?
I mean, it's agriculture land. It's zoned for agriculture, but I'm gonna have I'm gonna fucking, you know, like, I'm gonna there's gonna be cows and stuff. I don't understand why it would be illegal to like have cows and then drive a truck around. I mean, I'll obviously gonna do it all, but like, I'm gonna give you some cows. Look at that thing. Dude, these things look so sick. Hey, I'm telling you right now, what's today? Today is September 2025. In the next like 5 or 6 years, I'm gonna do this. Like literally, Patrick Wieland's. People are like, how the fuck did Patrick Wieland get into this? Wow!
This race, Brabham has to hit it wide open because Sheldon Creed, he's not going to lift. He won't. He's gonna hit it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm done trading for the day. Oh my! Look at that thing.
Matty Brabs right there. That's a poster. I'm sending that home to the family. Welcome to the Gold Coast.
Oh, it's hit the chassis at the front as well.
Oh, and sparks are flying.
Well, the good thing is that property. There's no. I don't think there's a lot of cows. I think it's like all orange groves. I think it's all zoned for orange groves. So I don't think there's any cows. I don't see why I couldn't. I mean, I'm gonna obviously like hire somebody to like professionally, you know, guarantee that I'm allowed to drive a truck on my property. But like, I don't see why I wouldn't be able to, right? I mean. I'll talk to the EPA. Raymond Estrada. I do this for a living. Hit me up. Hey, what do you do for a living? What? You do trophy trucks for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Patrick, I do this for a living. Hit me up. Patrick, oh, you sell land? Well, you hit me up. Send me an email, patrick@marketflowtrader.com. Brain fart, you're still long? Oh, man. I don't know, bro. Get with Cletus. Cletus is in Florida, right? It's just hard because you got to find the right property.
Hey guys, if you haven't heard, our company Kinetic has a new can on the market, and it's got You know what I mean? I don't want that. Lie to you. I mean, a little bit.
I don't want to have a property in Texas because like Texas just ain't what I need. It's too far. Like I don't have to like fly somewhere. The HRE, you're ready to start your cannabis business? I mean, I'm thinking once my idea, I don't know, y'all can like tell me if you think it, like, my idea is to turn the BDH, the office that I have now, turn that into a dispensary. Once marijuana is legal in Florida, I open up the BDH dispensary. And it's not really like I'm not trying to make $1 billion, but I think it'd be a good idea. And that way, because I need a bigger warehouse. I really do. I need a bigger warehouse for all my toys. Big Delta house. Have it grow too. I've heard it's just really hard to grow. I've never grown marijuana, but I heard it ain't easy. Florida's really shitty for growing too. PW, have you ever thought about taking on private investors? I've had offers. I've had people that wanted to invest in my YouTube channel and all that, but I have so much money. I've got $1 million cash in the bank, so it's just like I don't need capital. To be honest, Florida land is all swamp. I mean, swamp's fine. I can rally race in a swamp, bro. Rally racing in the swamp, no problem. Maybe at some point, I do think, if I want to open more businesses, I got to figure out what the next business is, really. There was some big news today. I can't talk about it yet, but I saw some big news. Cassie trying to get money from me. Girl, you have an LLC set up? Yes, I have an LLC, multiple LLCs. My new car business is a corporation. I have my personal S Corp, and then I have the BD Haas, which is a corporation. I just want to tell you that I love you. All right, Nasdaq just pulling back here. It's going nowhere. Probably just kind of drift on down here to the VWAP again, right? Look at that thing, just ding, 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 ding. Should I take the? I'm gonna take the BDH public. I'm gonna go to the New York Stock Exchange. I think you need to have. I think I honestly could. No, I could. Let me see. Hold on a second. Let me see something. What's the Nasdaq to go public on the Nasdaq? What's the revenue per year? I think it's only like 20 million. Oh, dude, I'm in. Oh, shit. Over the prior 12 months must be at least 550 million. We got a little bit of room. We got a little bit of time to go, boys. I'm going live on the Nasdaq. It's what do you mean? BDH is tech, bro. We are tech. Why would I not be on the Nasdaq? BDH is very tech. Okay. Jedi, Patrick, if you're really trying to get into the cannabis business, I mean, I really just want to get into the, like, I just want to sell it in Florida. I feel like once Florida legalizes marijuana, then it'll just be like, and again, like, I'm not trying to get like rich off of it. It's just kind of like if I have like another little, you know, a little bit of income from another business, it ain't hurting kind of thing. Yeah, exactly. BDH is fintech. We're basically like Robinhood. Okay? Don't get high on your own supply. Woo! I'm high right now. Xavier said, I passed the Apex 25K account. When does my account get evaluated for funding? At the end of day, my friend. End of day. All right, it's time to walk away. I'm gonna go work on some car stuff. I got a bunch of car stuff I got to do today. Pick up some cars, drop off some cars, do all the cars. I got to hire a full-time car person. Anybody want a job? Anybody in the chat? I need a mechanic. I need a mechanic / detailer / just do whatever I say kind of person. Seriously. If you live in South Florida, hit me up. I'm looking for somebody. You got to be like somewhat able to work on cars. But like, don't email me if you live in fucking Ohio. I already have a personal assistant. She can't drive my cars. She don't know how to drive stick. No, you're not moving. Don't tell me you're gonna move. You're not gonna move to Florida to work for me. That's a terrible idea, people. Don't be dumb. You know, you're just being silly now. I live in Pompano Beach. Pompano. Pompano. Dude, this Nasdaq is something else, ain't it? Dumps all the way down here, just pops it right back up again. You gotta love it. I think they're going to keep it. They're pretty much just going to keep it in this range for the rest of the day. So, yeah, might be a good time to just call it a day, my friends. Call it a day, walk away, go to lunch, whatever you're going to do. We'll be back tomorrow morning for a fresh Cash Friday. I might be a little bit early tomorrow. Maybe I'll YOLO some evals and see if I can't pass some evals on the NFP numbers tomorrow. Non-farm payroll, baby! Hopefully get some big moves tomorrow. Big moves tomorrow. Let's pray for, hey, let's manifest it. Let's manifest big moves. Big moves. Big moves. Big moves. Big moves. We're manifesting. We're manifesting. Good moves. Green Day. Fresh cash. Fresh cash. Fresh cash. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. All right. All right. I'll talk to you all later on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I'm going to peace out of here. I got things to do, people to see, all that fun stuff. So big thank you guys for watching. It's always fun. Good little day here. And I will talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Oh, buddy, look at that thing. Maybe we'll wait until the car lift gets installed, and then we'll have a better idea where to put it. Maybe around that. I like that wall the way it is. I think maybe on this wall, honestly.
I was thinking like above the toilet.
Yeah, no, I think I hear it. Like on that wall over there, don't you think?
Yeah.
That way you can like see it. But stuff on it.
Might have to cover up the.
Is it heavier? Yeah. No, I gotta take it to the wrap place and get this wrapped yellow.
No, I meant like that.
Oh, the box. Oh my god, my dick is so... Oh, fuck, we're still live. Awkward. That's awkward. Oh, God, I gotta go. We gotta go.